let's start with that as well. Let's go from the
help us that
beginning. You can open the document. So in the document, let's go one by one. Let's go to the switch framework, SFW5.
Very good. Where is that?
In the very
can you
beginning.
Go with the page by page? Can we start from scratch configuration? Like, no, you must have done it, but actually I was not able to go through because I was still covering the Belgium itself.
Yeah, I can give you more. Okay. I can show you whatever I did in the app.
In relation to the document, like if the is document fine by any chance? Like,
yeah, we can see if it is. I have not done a major, just 1 or 2 points I added to this. I will show you that one also. Okay.
Yeah.
So this is Italy. We can go page by page here, right?
Yes, and I'll be helping you if I see some deviation or something which is not. We can go page by page. But again, system to system it varies. From the switch this one. Yes.
Part 3. Okay.
Yeah. So only thing is I may not be able to check everything in the system because system to system notes. But we'll do it together.
Yeah, together.
Yeah, we'll do it together. No worries. Anyway, we have to walk through the configuration steps.
Okay. So you're saying SFW5, correct? That's
SFW. You also know operation. Huh?
No. I'm able to say display things.
Yeah, we have to in this. Maybe you can. Yeah.
But let's see in the display. Let's see in display only, not a problem. We need to go to Glow DRC. We need to go to business function Glow DRC. GLO_DRC.
In which node it is? Glow DRC.
You can search. You can search.
G.
Okay. GLO_DRC. Okay.
Glow. I think that's done.
It opens a lot if we punch that GLO_DRC. Okay. It's a
this one, right?
Document and reporting compliance reversible. Yeah. Yes.
Yeah. Is the switch on? Can you just hover around the switch?
Activation. Yeah. Where can I check that?
Can you just hover it on the end, on the very end? Sorry, left side. Left side, you can see an icon, right? Yellow one.
It says activated business function reversible.
Deactivate business. That means it is already activated.
Activated, yeah.
No.
That is already activated.
So if you see business function will remain deactive, it is showing. So what is the activation?
This is activated. We are using DRC, right? Actually, for the reporting point of view, but it's activated.
It is. Okay. I'm able to make the change. So.
Fine.
Yeah, I can.
Fine. You can come back. I think it's active. So this business function is active.
Okay.
Then
you can find CA_eDoc.
In the same page?
CA? Yeah. CA_eDoc.
eDoc.
Yeah.
This is also active, right?
Yeah.
Activation.
Okay. Then IT_eDoc. This is for Italy.
Maybe it is an option.
It's not there.
What is it? IT Italy and
IT doc. Yeah.
IT is nothing but Italy. That's generic.
Oh, okay. So this is not there. Then
it's
can
not
you see
there?
Okay. Can you check once?
It is not there.
GLO. Can you go back to document once? The document.
This one, right?
Yeah. And
which page?
First, where we started. We started with
GLO page number. I'll tell you.
No. This is not this. I don't think so. This is the document.
No, I am in the Italy one actually. So where
page number 12.
day one?
Material.
I'm in the material SAP. So which introduction one or training?
No.
Materials by trainer. Materials by trainer.
Material by trainer.
The first
Top
one. The first one. First. Third
Training.
one.
No,
Third,
not this. Not
third.
this. Day.
Third from top.
Yeah. Day 5 and
then
6.
select it.
5 or 6, yeah.
The
First
top
one. And page number will be 12. Ongoing.
12.
Page number 12.
So let's do the country activation. The last one is for country. GLO underscore ADV underscore LIC underscore CTR. So this can be from the SPRO also. So if you...
It's not found. I searched the same place. I didn't found it.
Then we can go to the configuration. Let's activate the country. Yeah, SPRO.
Okay.
Country activation.
Okay.
So you want me to go SPRO?
Yeah, you were there in that page, right? When you have that node. IMG reference. SAP IMG reference. Not this one. In SPRO. Yeah. This one, we were having that document, right? For the DRC.
I think that's Krishna
cross component.
Cross application component. Yes.
Yes. Just now. Yes. This one. Then document and reporting compliance should be there. No. Settings. You can search document and reporting compliance.
General application functions. It should be under the. Yeah, that's the document and reporting. And underneath that, you'll have countries.
Yes. So
Italy, right? We have
Italy. Yes. So can you click on electronic document processing? Yes. General setting. Now, 1 minute. Keep this setting open.
So I'll make it side by side. So this is the SPRO and this is it. So inside this
country,
one,
you would see activate country under general applications. No.
Yeah, activate country is not here. Yeah, actually.
No. Go top. Go on the very top where you had this DRC. DRC node was there, right?
No, it's not within the DRC.
Country region specific settings.
No. This is different. So cross application component, general application DRC general setting. So we want to go to the general setting. There would be some general setting also.
Okay.
General setting.
For DRC, there would be a general setting within DRC.
Within the DRC. Go
within DRC. I'm in the DRC.
Okay. No, this is country region. There should be 1 minute. Let me
how to get that general setting? We are not receiving this client.
General settings.
I can share. I'm sharing for 1 minute.
Select your country.
I'm taking the control. Here we need to maintain the country.
It is under the DRC, right?
DRC?
This below the DRC.
This is the training client?
I'm checking. I think in 14 for everyone is same, right? Krishna. For you also, it is
even
the same options.
Yes.
I think you might have some developer access. That's why I'm thinking. If not, then
okay.
You might have some developer access to activate some.
There is something missing here in your system, which is the crucial one.
Yeah.
So that general setting is in the clients in the test system. It is under.
Yeah, I can see this.
Where is it?
I'm just taking over once. Sorry. So you are talking about this navigation, correct?
Yes.
Activate document
Yes.
reporting and compliance. So
Yes.
actually, it was our fault. We were going in, Krishna. So we were going into this one, and then we were clicking on the country. That's the reason. So instead of going this, we just went in general settings, activation. So okay.
The general setting is not in our system, right?
In our SPROs, yes. Yes.
Yes.
You are in test system, no, Avnish?
Yeah.
You are in test system.
I'm just doing double check in their system also.
Yeah.
Our system.
That is the main difference. That's what we are not able to see, that one of the activation is required to get the general settings.
Yeah, then it will be again another challenge for us.
Yeah, let us work and see.
Maybe if you can get your basis consultant or whoever is expert,
we can put it like, if you tell some notice applied, we can bring the basis.
It will be difficult. Yeah, it will be really difficult because I am not sure. Like I do not have that basis background and which note exactly will do what. So I have given the list of notes which are applicable. Maybe among which notes is not there in system, which is there, it will be difficult because no exact note will tell you that this functionality comes with this. So that's the reason.
The main
it would be all bundled. It would be all bundled.
Yeah, main target for us. If we run one country, that is very useful. We can explore more and we can understand more on the system point of view. That's what the major some of the activations required. Like mainly, if you compare between your system and here, if you compare yours and Modi's, the differences are there, right? So we need to fix those things mainly. So here, only general settings, but when you compare, the statutory was there.
Yes, Krishna, it's not there. I just completely compared that.
You compared, right?
Yeah. If you want, I can. It's left to right. I already have it. Left to right.
You can share that.
Yeah. So if you see, right side is our DA, the test client. That's with the, and on the right side, if you see, this will make it a little more parallel kind of thing. Yeah. We only see this, okay, and we don't. And where are we? Document reporting. We are talking about this one. So under document reporting and compliance, we just see one tab. But in here, we can see a lot many general settings for extensibility, settings for extensibility. That piece is actually missing.
Yeah.
Yeah, Avnish, can you in the test system open any of the general settings and can you check any T code it is assigned to so that we can execute that T code?
Okay, right.
Yeah.
I think
we assigned to some view. Some view.
Yeah, that's okay. View also we can in the no.
Yes.
Open that.
The right.
So which option? We have two options, right? Activate document and register. So which one we have to select? First one. Yes,
yeah. First one.
Open. Okay. Click on that. Click on
it. Okay. How do I
now this is
for this?
Go to system status. Maybe it will not show, but okay. Go to system status. Yes. See. Okay, close it. Can you check? Press F1 and see what is the table it is.
Okay. I thought like on the SPR also they tell you.
Yeah, this
all countries.
Table.
Okay, I'll just ping in the group.
Table, yeah, just ping it. We can just try to access it from the SM30 if possible for now.
Or maybe I was just wondering, like on the right side there is something we click on and it start giving additional. I think activity information, something on the right. We'll start seeing the technical like T codes in here. Some additional information. I think in display enhancement IDs. Okay, we don't have one.
Yeah, so in the same table we can access it through the SM30 for now. So if you want to maintain, so I can able to access that from
SM30. This is something.
That's a table. That's a table.
Oh, that's a table. Okay.
Yeah.
Come on. Okay. Let me just give it as a T code. Like sometimes I've seen like if we directly punch this as a T code, it actually opened as a proper T code instead of like.
So you are able to activate that one, Venkat?
Yeah, I can access it. 1 minute.
You can share your screen, activate those things. Once those options will come.
I'm sharing my screen.
Yeah.
Okay, I just come back. I am showing you. SM30, the same table name that you just shared it on the chat display. Okay. Yeah, new entries. Now you tell me what are the countries I have to.
All countries. Go to the screenshot. Tell you are there, right?
But even in their system, there is no country activated.
All countries. They says all countries, right? That should be fine.
Yes, all countries are activated. So this is license control. So the vendor has activated all the countries. They will be billed for all these countries. Every country combination with company code is licensed. Like every time you run a scenario for a company code and a country combination, so all will be part of licensing.
No, but it's blank in your system.
Put it like
this is 410. This is 410.
No. I'm not talking about our system. I'm talking about Advay, your system. If you click on that,
it is not blank. It is not blank.
I just picked you a screenshot.
It is checked.
It
is.
Oh, it is checked. Okay, got you. Okay.
I said
in one shot, it's available for everyone.
Okay. So let's be open. Yeah, all countries. Okay. All countries. All countries. We have to select only one. That's it.
Yes, it seems like. Delete. Okay, gone.
No, he said don't activate all countries because it is based on licensing, usage, etc. Let's do it only Italy. Yeah, Italy only. Don't do all countries.
But then how come Korea is working in your system?
If Korea is set up actually. Korea is set up. You're in the added entries. Korea is already there.
Can it save?
Yeah, go ahead and save. That's fine.
No, 1 second. You did not select that one? Okay, not all countries. Okay, activate.
No, don't select all countries. Don't select all countries.
Yeah, create a valid transport because it's required for us to move to the quality, right? Put it DRC implementation or something, and then we can collect figures.
Yeah, ensure that you mention the word Italy.
Italy, yeah.
Yeah.
These are the valid ones.
Country activation. Yeah.
Yeah.
DRC underscore country.
Don't add any other configuration to this TR.
Agreed.
Oh, okay.
Other regular configuration, but you can DRC, you can add it. Yeah.
For what? Country activation.
Country activation, yeah. I think now data will flow, maybe, I guess. One thing important.
South Korea, I have not added this one.
No, that is already there. That is what I was saying actually. Korea is already there.
Someone did we have not implemented, maybe Ravi might have activated that one for the analysis.
I think Rami was doing some activity on Korea side. He has done a number of things, not only activating country, but the BT events, etc. He has done some basic configuration. So that's why Korea shows up and Italy is a brand new one. It's a good start actually. You can start from Italy. This is good.
So, okay. What is the next step?
Some reason did not come even Italy.
No, the general setting won't come actually, right? It's already gone. This is already here. You just move with the rest of the process of the Italy.
Yeah, general settings will not come here. We have to
general
do
setting
something
won't come from here. It is from the table itself. That is what we got to work around to go to the general setting. Activating this won't give you the general setting.
What are the action item for us? Can we put it that action item how to get that setting? Like later also we have to get it right. Now
this is exactly what I said. There is a difference between what system Advai has 2023 and 2022. But then we concluded, okay, it shouldn't be much of a difference. But anyway, yeah. So it is actually a version difference.
Yeah, that's one of the action item. Can put it in the parking lot item. Then continue the remaining steps. You can continue, Venkat.
Okay.
Steps and show him. And what other steps?
So repeat CA for eDocuments.
So that is done. So now you have activated the country. So Okay, now BTE switch we have done. So can you come down?
This one we completed.
Yeah,
activate.
Now we need to, yeah. So this is done. You can come down.
IT doc also done. IT doc not found right earlier.
That
It
is
was
fine.
not
I
there.
think Glow DRC license activation you have done.
Let's search it because last two I didn't found. You remember?
Yeah,
Only
let us
first two we were able to found.
Yeah, last two.
Let's go slow.
Yeah.
Let me also check in the training system. Maybe I've not seen that in training system as well. Let me check.
What is the terminal?
Oh, you want the transaction code?
Just tell me the hierarchy name.
SFW5. We don't know. SFW5. Use the T code.
No, from here also we can DRC under. Which
you got cross functional. It's on top 6th, 7th. Yeah. Now general application function. Yeah, you're on spot. Yeah. But I think you will not find it in here. That's what Krishna
general
has said.
settings. So next we have to register this restricted process. Oh.
What is that? Open that one.
eDoc processing basic solution. Basic solution.
Just one heading. Even training system on there. We are okay with that.
SFW5. Try SFW5 then only, otherwise. SFW5. I'm checking in the meantime, don't worry. Still starting. DM410 is slow.
Able to IT underscore eDoc.
Yeah.
IP underscore eDoc.
It's not there. Still not there. Let me just try GLO underscore DRC first again. And I'm talking about our SAP client, sir. Yeah, GLO DRC like it was earlier also, it's here. No change to this. Control F. C underscore eDoc. Even this one, it's coming, but then why? IT underscore DOC is eDoc is still not there.
In the test system.
Yeah, in our system also and in his system also.
Okay, then I think we are okay. If both systems are not there, then fine.
Yeah, because sometimes it varies from different releases to releases. So in some releases like this, they would consider Glow DRC and country activation, and then you will have all the features together. But it is there right on the top. C underscore eDoc. Just now you click C underscore eDoc.
eDoc is there. Last two are not there.
The country activation you did. So this GLO underscore ADV, if it is not there, since it was not there in your SPRO, remember, then we went to the view and then we did it. This country activation, basically, and that you did already.
No, but then if the country is activated, then this it should be available in this W5 or not?
It is fine. I think it won't affect anything. Because your node was not there, right? For the SPRO, so it might not be there. In training also, I feel it's
business function. This is a table also, right? Table
W5.
This is already used. There is a table.
T code has
IT underscore eDoc. IT underscore eDoc. No. Okay. So what is the next step that we are following?
Activate each business function that's in the list.
Activate country for Italy. Yes, we did for this one.
This is some, yes. This
country
now you have to. Now BT configuration you need to do. FIBF.
BT, okay.
We are on which page number and which part? I'm using your document.
Okay, show me. Can you come down? Can you come? No, down. So this is done. This is done.
Are we going to
come down? Yes. So okay. You can now. This Italy activation is done. Can you come down? It contains explanation also. BTs. Now this is the step that we are doing. FIBF.
So which BT? This one now 1650. Now we have to implement.
Yeah. You open this transaction.
Okay,
so maybe if there are experts from
I can do
BT,
I can implement the
No. I wanted to also share that we were struggling right in the test system to create the eDocument when we have posted the invoice, right? So this could be one reason, because I was checking in the morning to debug and see where this issue could be. So I found something different in the training system, so which is not as per standard. So I just wanted to cross verify with expert if we have expert for this transaction.
Yeah, so just looking up on that, actually on the VTAs, the one that you listed, Advai 1650 and 1640 and 1150, right?
Yeah.
So those two are somehow not there.
1120, exactly.
Yeah, those events are not showing up.
Yeah. No. Those are there. It's not like we have to go inside this, and I already searched those maintain transactions anyway.
Okay.
Can you
go there? Yeah, checking it, and then I couldn't find it.
So identification, we'll go step by step. 1 minute. Forget about this. I'm guiding you. You come to the main screen, and simultaneously, can somebody also check in the training system?
Yeah. I checked it actually, the PS module, and then I was trying to see if the same thing exactly, Advai, what you went. If there is any errors for the document which are not posted, right? The ones even in your transition, I couldn't. It was not there. It's a little bit difficult to find.
So you can come back, not this one. So you just come back here. I'll guide you step by step. So you just open. I wanted to show you 2 or 3 more things there. So in the transaction, in FIBF transaction.
Yeah, for the group, at least this is where the whole thing actually happens automatically.
Settings.
The BTEs will trigger the flow.
Let's go by identification. SAP application. Can you go up? SAP application. Here eDoc should be checked. I think that would be checked for you. Can you click? So
someone is laughing.
So here, if you come down, here eDoc should be checked.
Can you open both at the same time? Or like Venkat, if you won't mind, shall I take it over? Like, can we run both the clients on the same screen?
No, let Venkat run it, because it's all technical navigation, right? It will be hard for you to navigate.
It won't allow us.
I mean, do you have a requirement for the edition enhancement? This is an enhancement, right? We are looking at standard. So, I mean, we know what to do BTE. There are some the application areas, process codes would be there. But are we talking about the enhancement requirements now?
As per the document, Rami, we have to implement the 1650 for Italy. So just we are trying to. We are going through the document.
Just now Rami joined, right? Just to give him update. Rami, today we try to complete one country in our system, example Italy, and we posted a couple of documents, finance document, SD documents. So we did the functional side of configuration. Some of the technical side configuration missing. That's what we are taking help Advai and the Venkat.
Okay, I mean, but do we need a BT activated for standard also?
That's what, maybe that's question to Advait. Do we need that one, or Advait, can you answer?
Sorry, 1 minute. Can you please repeat?
No. Generally, in case you need any enhancement during posting, you may need the BTAs.
But BTs is the mandatory here for at least these two, which I know, that's why I've put in this document, that these two BTs are mandatory for triggering those documents, either FI document 1650 and for SD billing document 1120. So if for cancellation you have 1125, so maybe 1125 would be there. That's why while we cancelled and triggered, maybe that got
the training
triggered.
system was not there. That's why it did not work.
I think so. That's why we got a task, right, to see why it is not triggering. So I actually checked before this training, and I could only suspect it could not be like master data or something. Neither the PayPal and all these are checked at the later stages. But for triggering the document, at least something which is going wrong here. So definitely what I could figure it out is these three things for Belgium we can add and we can see now. Like that's what I can say.
No, because if you remember, the document 18001 was already posted. If the event is not triggered, then that should not happen.
You mean the earlier document, right?
The one document is posted, the other one didn't, right? That is what the scenario.
So that document that got posted, we cancelled the existing one and then we reposted it, right?
Exactly. Yeah, that's correct.
So maybe 1125, maybe 1125 is there. That is for cancellation. We can check in the system.
In the training system?
Yes. Let's first check in the training system. Then we
share the training system, Venkat, FIBF, and see 1125 is there.
So can you come back here?
I will be back just.
So Rami's question is actually, do we need to activate this as part of the standard content? That is what actually, right?
Actually, it should be activated as a part of standard content, but this is like a training system, right? So we don't know. No, not for customer. It should be for SAP applications. This should not. That's why I wanted to check with identification. Sorry, not identification. Let's go one by one. Can you come back? So in settings, products. If we go to products, why SAP is not coming here? So that is one thing. Normally, three things would come: SAP, partner, and customer.
SAP application, right? And not in product.
This is different. PS module is different. Every module should have three options: one for SAP, one for partner, one for customer. So if you see products, the second option,
correct,
it should have SAP also. Maybe in your system, can you check?
This is the system only.
That's a good check.
Ideally, in products, you should have.
No, products is same also. Partner and customer only.
Same. Okay.
Same.
Then let's check on the other one, SAP product. This one, PS function modules. Let's
see the product. It makes sense actually. There will be only two. If it is
that's fine. Let's see the PS function module.
Application partner.
Can we see here whether for Belgium this 1650 and 1120 is there for Belgium? And you can also check once 1125.
So Rami, you activated some for Korea, right? So is it part of this? I mean, like they probably something which is already might be working, a document flow.
No, I didn't activate any BT specific configuration, Krishna.
Oh, okay.
eDocument.
Okay. So, but your idea is actually that should come as part of the standard functionality.
Maybe in your system it is there. Maybe by standard it is there. In training system they have played with it, so that could be also one reason. So
yeah, I think it should be opposite. Training should be everything should be activated.
No, I don't think so, because it's a very raw system, right? Whatever company code, however they import BC sets, they.
Yeah. I mean, it's possible. Yeah, obviously. Yeah.
But why are we opening this function module? I'm not sure.
At least this morning we are not sure about so many things, so we have to go with it.
And looks like in test system also these two BTs are not implemented. If it is implemented somewhere in the configuration, they have to activate those function modules and flag.
What is 1650, Advai? 1650 is the create or cancel? Which one is it? 1650?
No, posted. FI document posted. Whenever you save a FI document, that should trigger.
Yeah. So what is the other one? Other event that you had? 1125, right? What is that?
No, 1120.
1120. What does it?
It is SD billing document after billing release. When you do a billing release.
Okay.
So you are checking in your system, right?
No, I think he's in your system. The screen share.
I'm test system only. Yes.
Okay.
System.
Okay. So in test system, 1650 was there.
No.
Okay, it's not there. Sorry. No. Somebody told that 1650 they're able to find out.
That is what Venkat said, but I don't know.
No, if those two BTs are implemented in this transaction itself, we can see that.
No, I mean it may not be the place what you are looking at, Venkat, right? Because the documents are getting posted. Without that activation, document won't get posted in training. FI document got transferred, right? Without that 1650 event, that should not happen. So it is there. We are not getting to the right place to look at it. So the events are by countries. Why? Like every country will have its own code.
Yes.
Oh, that means there should be a lot of them and should be activated then. Yes. Like Italy is one and Korea is one.
So yes, 1150 you will have for each country wherever you want to trigger automatically.
Okay. What about 1650?
Everything. If something needs to be triggered from the system,
it's all by country. There's so many events that you need to.
Yes.
Okay.
So maybe there is a function module, eDoc_trigger_create. Maybe while you create the billing document, if we put a breakpoint there, maybe we would come to know whether that gets
that is what they keep saying actually, right? You run the function module, put a breakpoint and see why it is getting dropped. The document posting you're talking about, right? Correct?
Yes.
Yeah, that is what they're talking about. And those SLG1, etc., those are there, but if the event itself is not triggered, then obviously you won't see it anywhere, right?
Exactly.
So the reason why we are not able to trace anything was it was not even there to pick it up.
Mm-hmm.
I think the logic goes that way. The cancel event is not activated. Okay, right? That is the reason why it's not triggering when the document is cancelled and rebuilt. Whereas if it is a new document, it picked up.
What I understood was the existing document, when we did some cancellation and then we triggered back, then it triggered. But when we created a new document from scratch using the business partner,
maybe opposite
that was getting lost. I actually understood that way. Maybe
it could be. Basically, what we are saying is one of the event correspond to the create activity or something is not active. That is what we are saying, right? If that is the case, if we don't find 1650, then that means it makes sense now. Right? 1650 being the create document, it's not activated.
Yes.
That means the new document didn't get picked up. Correct, right?
Yes. That's what I'm suspecting. But that's, let's see. Because these events run synchronously whenever there is a document pasting. So
they are like TRFC calls or something like that. 1650. Okay. What is the other one? 1120, right? Is that right?
Yes. 1120. Yes. Maybe we can do one quick thing now. Then, can we in the test system, can we add these events or BT number and then we just trigger the scenario?
Yeah, we can do that. I think
for BE, let's add that for BE and then we trigger scenario and confirm. I think that would be a little less time consuming, what I feel.
Yeah. Application should be eDoc, right? Correct? Application is eDoc?
Yes, eDoc is checked. I have checked that. So application is eDoc, that is checked. So that is not a problem. Not environment, I think settings. Settings we used to go.
Yeah, but somehow this table doesn't show it is activated even in here in your training system also. Oh, okay. No, not training.
This is some different table. I don't know this table.
Business event is 1650. No. One thing, just one thought. If you go to can you go keep the screen, keep this, open another session. You're in S4H, right? Yeah. Open another session. Go to SC16.
Yes.
Okay. S4 only. The same thing. 16, where you are right now, just open another window. Open another window. Go to system, TBE 31. TBE 31. Not test system, training system, their system.
TBE 31, maybe it is a table.
Yeah, table name. Yeah, so search for 1120. The event ID star 1120. Star 1120 star. Don't worry about the zeros actually. Just look for. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, that's fine.
1125.
No, star 1120 star. Correct. See, that is there. That config is there. This probably it's easier to look for it, actually, right? And it doesn't look for a country also. Otherwise, just make a note of it because it's not specific to the country. It is activated across the board. Even though there are countries are there on the top, the modules, whatever, I don't know. Yeah, that is one thing. And also do the same thing.
What is this table about? What is
this is the triggered events only. Same table, Advai. Where the activations are there, that means this table holds that entries. See, look at the name of the table, publish and subscribe to BT SAP things.
Mm-hmm.
The same screen what we are looking at earlier, right? From FIBA.
Okay.
That is the table where it actually stores the data.
And it's not there, right?
1120 is there, the 1650 is not there.
Okay. But then, 1 minute, you carry on.
1650 is already implemented in our system.
In DM1?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. That is good to know.
But let me check whether it is activity or not.
Yeah. You are checking the table, the same table in our system, you mean?
Yeah, I mean, you can go with that.
Yeah.
It's visible, right?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So here I'm telling these events, right? Like for example, 1120. Here I see that it's some country and application specific, which application is triggering that. So, for example, here I do not find any entry for B country. Simply, there is no 1650. I do not find 1650 also anywhere.
This is in your training system, right? Okay, correct.
Yes,
correct.
yes. Right. And then let's also see 1125 is also not there.
One point or one question here, okay? Because the 1120 doesn't have any country specific, for some of them, not all of them. There are some where it doesn't have any country. Does it mean that it applies to all countries? Basically, country is not mandatory, it seems.
I'm not sure. It should be. I do not know exactly how it would work.
Having 1120 event with and without a country.
Function module also plays a part here. So if you see, whenever, like for example, for us, eDoc _ trigger _ some function module was there, right? Create eDoc. So I'm not sure. There's
just
some
one.
link.
Just one. Do a table check on this. Just do a quick help on the table. Is it the TBA31 only we are looking at? Can you confirm?
Oh yeah, same table.
Same table, right? Yeah. TBA31 only. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
But
that is what I found actually. All the entries are there.
Okay.
So, okay, hold on one sec. In your training system itself, Venkat, if we filter it by BE, then we should know, right? Because there is a country also. Okay. So let's say country code is BE, and to figure out what all are activated, then it should tell us actually, right?
Like you see here, right? iDoc.
Oh, you know what? Actually, check bank account, convert bank account. Okay. Yeah, go ahead. Sorry, Advai. Go ahead. Yeah.
So this eDoc, right? eDoc for Italy, if you see 1050 something, whatever it mean, that is having some relevance. And if it is not found, then I think the triggering won't happen. So if we try to hit here, right? Say eDoc, say 1025. Okay. This is for what?
No, that is, I mean, I see the logic, but typically EFX is actually something else, some other product, I think, REFX probably it's a related product. That's what I remember.
No, it will not be. It's not product. It's eDoc only. eDoc is getting created due to CF. If you see here,
Italy, okay.
Italy 1005. something. So that's why I wanted some expert advice for because something is missing from here, which I could easily make out, but how to add it or
the adding is this is a table entry. You can add a new entry. It's SM30 type only. Okay, right? Adding is not a problem. Let you add it. But I think we need.
Krishna, like in order to activate BT, we have to follow some prerequisites. So, a function module also inside function module, we have to copy that standard one and make it a Z. There are some prerequisites. We cannot directly activate it from here in this table itself. So,
not the table, but from the FIBF, the view is there, right? Can we not activate from there? That is the whole idea, right? You can add a new entry.
For BT, there is some other 2-3 additional prerequisites we have to follow.
Oh, okay. Could be, yeah. Maybe if you do all that, then the table entry shows up here. That's what you mean, right? Correct. Okay.
So my question is that in the test system, it's supposed to implement all the required BTs, right? So
normally you don't have to do anything for BT. That's what I know. If you have proper standard system, right? No circus around these BTs. It's all given. So ideally that's why I wanted to see what is there with your productive systems. It should be already there. So I'm not confident on training system, but within your system, right, this should be properly there with this particular setting that we saw BT,
right,
and then
yeah, but we are showing you, right? The training system. Venkat was there in the training system earlier. Can you go back and let's start a little bit actually backward and see one by one. In the FIBF, what we have identification. Can you just elaborate since we are here anyway? So what should be done? Identification, product, PS module, process module. What exactly supposed to be done as part of the config, or what is supposed to be there as a standard content?
So standard event 1650 and 1120 should be there for us, for Italy, and then it should be active. It should be there. That's the thing.
Okay.
That's a prerequisite. So system would automatically trigger it if these two are there.
Okay. If I just filter on Italy, okay, right? In our system, sorry, no, it's your system. Sorry. Okay. They're almost the same. What you have in your system with respect to Italy, they are the same in our system also. They're almost the same. Right?
So let's go in one more table. There is.
Are you looking at the same you were sharing earlier? Now I think look like you are not any longer. If you look at the table 31 and show the entries check the entries for IT in our DM1 as well as in the training system, they're almost the same. There may be 1 or 2 differences, but pretty much almost the same. eDoc, REFX, PTE.
Sorry guys, we stuck in another call in the back. Any progress or anything that we are able to post any documents from Italy?
Systems.
Can we just, in a simple way, can we do one thing? Can we add the entry in test system once?
Test system or in the my system? In the Modi system?
Test system should be fine. Test system should be fine.
Yeah, do one transaction at least, like one process in test system, and then we can replicate same thing in our system.
Did we post any entry in our system or not yet?
No.
Nothing? Okay. So you want to post in the FB70, any invoices are there in the test system?
You are asking?
Yeah, any invoice, existing invoices.
No. First we have to correct the configuration, then only it would make sense. So
the configuration in where?
Let me once try. Give me some time. I'm trying let me do. See what we can do here is let me put the configuration same that is missing, right, for the two numbers or the events that we saw. So what we'll do is I will add it in the configuration. Let's try to again repeat the invoice scenario that we did, and let's see if that comes now.
So you're referring to Belgium, or not for the Italy, right?
Yes. I'm talking about Belgium because Belgium company code and invoice and everything, we have done it in the system. So let's try that. If that works, that means we had a problem for Belgium. So same needs to be just cross-checked for Italy, because we are still not able to trigger the invoice, right? The main problem, because that is the first step, and that's.
I have like a good amount of data. Like I created a contract with multiple invoices.
Where in the filing or in our system?
No, it's Beijing. So sorry, it's Belgium. So it's in his client, like test client, not in SAP.
Just give me give me some time. I'll try out. Let's see if it works.
Would you be sharing screen? Maybe use today's.
Let me first try. Yeah. I have not done. Let me explore and try out the configuration in FIBF, and then we can try together.
No, so that's the Belgium, right? For Italy, where we are on the Italy side.
See, even if you do it for Italy, again the same thing would happen, right? Let's say for Belgium, the main basic thing. Let us first settle that, and then maybe same thing needs to be done for Italy as well.
Okay, you're concentrating on the create memo thing, the issue what we had in the.
Yes. Otherwise, the same thing will happen for Italy. You will do everything. You will try to trigger. Nothing will happen. So
the target mainly the way that is the one issue. Agree, but at least we want to see one document. The posting FB70 something like in any country, like you take the in Moody's. That is the target.
In Moody's, yes.
Yes. Not the.
Then that's a different thing, right? Then means in the Moody system, that's a total different ball game. In training system, that you will face the same issue there, wouldn't you?
That's fine. The only one scenario failing, right?
Then you can continue. Yeah. Then you can continue with the document following the steps. So if that is the thing, then that's fine. Then we can continue.
We have done all the steps for the Italy. Anything pending, like the configuration.
A lot of things would be configuration steps are pending. So you can do that in parallel if you want, or we want to drop out the triggering scenario for Belgium.
Okay, which one? Okay.
Up to you. Let
us concentrate on the Modi system. That is the main thing. Understanding, like we have a time we can do some practice and we can do workarounds, like instead of doing the training system.
Then continue. I think then with the document you can continue there.
So
you can verify in Modi system
if it is coming. Whatever.
But you have to complete the configuration first, right? Okay. Then only you will be able to post and do it. That's why we were in BT. So let's look in BT if these events for Italy is active in your system.
So how far we came the steps? Like Kat started doing some steps, right?
Somebody can share and then they can continue.
So let us do steps. Okay, I will share it. Let me share my screen. You can see my screen, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay, the document Italy. So how far we came?
We were on page number 16. Like that's what I think Venkat was doing.
Okay.
Page number 16. BT, 16.
Okay. I think this BT functionality we don't have access. Generally, Rami and Venkat supposed to do. So
Rami is here, like.
Yeah, I'm checking on the BT side. Meanwhile, you can do that. As per the document 1650, BT should be activated, right, in our system? As per the document 1650.
Yeah, that one, and we can.
Yes.
I'm checking in our
1650
system.
and 1120.
1120.
Okay. While Venkat is checking, Krishna, can you move to the next page, please? 17. there is a small query for me from my side. Advay, if you see the next page, please, page number 17. Yeah, sorry, you're on 17. My bad. You were on 17. If you see under event ID 1120, it's talking about VFO1, VFO4. So it doesn't matter from where that document is coming from, whether we are creating that billing document from order versus contract. You're only
it would be all triggered.
codes.
Yes, correct. Okay. It's all just triggers, right? This is just it's all triggers. What you would do would create a eDocument. If these are the event IDs which are there in your system in VTEs, that means these triggers will create an eDocument.
Okay. And when it says etc., like again, stupid question, VF11 is also covered, like the cancellation?
No, cancellation has a separate code. Cancellation has a separate code.
No, if you see VF01, VF04, comma etc, what is that etc?
So any creation code. Yeah, any creation code.
And what is the event ID for cancellations then? Or is it somewhere down?
Told you 1125 something we discussed. I think 1125 something is there.
1125 is okay. SD credit note created.
Some event is there. You can get that from the standard. So this is not part of DRC. So this top means this whole configuration is not a DRC specific configuration.
Oh, got you. Got you, sir. Okay, because credit note versus cancellation is different. Like cancellation, we go with VF11 rather than got you.
So in the FIBF, Venkat, you are working, right?
Yeah, and Vishnu, now already 1650 in our system, someone's already activated. So I'm going to do it again. Yeah.
Okay. So as like 1650 is there, that's why I add 1120 also. Then we can.
Okay. It is I added long back 1650. Okay, that is activated.
This functionality for Italy.
Italy. Okay.
But check 1120, then we can continue remaining steps. So what other steps we?
Go to the subsequent steps in the document. It's there.
Okay, add entries for Italian company code. Okay, check the checkbox. Where check new entries again? It says add new entries in the Italian company code. What is the transaction code?
Can you come up?
Switch a bit more here.
Yeah, little more up.
This one already added.
Little more up.
Yeah.
Okay. One more.
These are the media.
Down. Yeah. Can you come down now? So the view would be written.
I think in the configuration part.
This is the configuration, yeah.
Yeah, he's talking about this one. He's talking about SM34, but SM34 both are the same.
SM30, yeah, you can. Yeah.
You can get from here also. Already added those Italy. This one, I think. We remember S4, I think, here.
So we created in FP01, right?
I added here too. So
no. Yes, for Belgium, did we create it from FB01?
FB01 for the FB70 we created.
Okay.
Yeah, FB70 invoice and the cancellation of a billing document. That's the scenario we did.
Is there a difference if we create by FB01 or FB70?
FB01 is the capable to post anything, like even the customer invoice, vendor invoice, create memos, everything can go through the FB01. FB01 is the generic for all the financial postings. FB70 is the customer specific, FB60 is the vendor specific, like that, but it's very wide.
Okay.
So now this is what it's saying in the document here. FI invoice, SD invoice. I don't find those here. IT for the, where we can get that one.
They're fine. This IT underscore incoming invoice you have, right? You can add it. You
but
can.
I see only two here. IT related. I mean Italian related.
It would be more.
Couple of them may be not relevant here. One more is there, but Italian fattura, Italian e-invoice external.
I think IT fattura would be the invoice, right?
Okay. Yeah, so fattura will be the invoice. Yes. And Krishna, I was checking the previous configuration on step number 5.2.3. Even that is missing.
Oh yeah, we'll go.
Your 1650 is not there for Italy.
So which one you are saying?
If you remember previously, we said event ID 1650 is for FI document posting and 1120 for SD. So I don't see them there. I don't know.
In the FIBF, it is not there. That's what you're saying?
Yeah, FIBF, yes.
Venkat is working, right? That piece?
I think like Venkat mentioned that it's all 1650 is there.
Yeah, 1650 is already there.
Simply. No. But country is
1120.
What I meant is, maybe I can try to share quick. So allow me just 1 sec, please. So if you see, left side is the table which contain all the events. Some places like countries available, countries not available. So what I did is I went into the background. I checked like what all events stand for the country IT Italy. Advait, tell me if I'm going wrong. Like if country is blank, it will Italy be able to pick the blank also, or will Italy be able, or only pick when the country is Italy?
Which one you're talking
about? Okay, 5.2.3. I'll just come back in here. So verify the event record. Navigate to SAP application events.
Okay.
FIBF.
Yeah, if country is for the first step, yeah, then country is not required. If specifically you want, you can mention the country.
Okay, if country is not mentioned, then also like Italy will be able to.
I doubt. It depends on the function module. I'm not sure. Blank. Actually, I have not seen in.
Okay. Some places blank systems, some places Italy. And if I see Venkat, maybe it might be for you. If I see Italy, I can see only these. And if let me just compare, sorry, give me 1 sec. If I compare it with what's in Advait's sheet. So 1650, I cannot see them. And 1120 also.
Maybe you can get the event, not the country, get the event. Remove the country.
Yeah, remove the country and put that BT in the first.
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, BT? Oh, sorry. You meant these numbers on the under this.
1650.
Yeah. This is a blank. It is applicable for the Italy also.
1650. 1650. Sorry, 1234 1120. Let me just
try those two. Yeah.
I think 1120.
So it's 1120 is there. 16550 is not there. Anyone? Maybe. Let me just check whether I punched correctly or not.
Yeah.
Because now we are saying other way around. 1650, yeah, it's correct.
So it also depends on S4 HANA version. So these numbering, right, might change. Like for example, 1120 could be for
these are standard function modules.
It has been replaced by 1130, I believe, in the newer version.
You went to 1650.
You just check 1130 and 1120. What difference do you find functionally?
1130 and 1. Okay, we can see 1130 starting from here.
That
Okay,
is also
let me
applicable for all countries.
Yeah, and let me just sort it like this so that it comes side by side. Okay, we can see it's there for everything. Yeah, and what are this? Okay, yeah, the functional modules almost are same, like you just mentioned. I don't know what these might really mean. Okay, so I don't know. Shall we like? I'm giving control back. Like I don't know whether it's assume 5.2.3 is good, correct?
Sorry, 5 dot?
The step 5.2.3, like event ID is 1650120. That piece is correct. Is good.
If that is there, that is good. Can you just once show me once, please? Just one time, can you show me in your system?
Okay. Okay, it's our SAP system, and let me just close here. So I'll make it left to right so that. So we were talking about this particular piece, and we can see, like you said, check for 1120, 1130. It's showing like this.
Okay, but none of them has eDoc function module. So normally there would be a functional module eDoc_BT, then the number. So can you do F4 in your system for eDoc function module?
Shall I pull your system? What is sitting in your system?
You can.
Will that be fine?
You can.
And it will be sorry, Venkat, you are saying something?
TP 34, if we implement our custom BTs, it will be in 34 table, not in 31. So 1650, you can find it in 34 table. You are looking in the 31, right? Yeah, just make it, remove that 444. You are in 31. Just come back
it
and.
Seems like it's same. Okay, so
no, just you are still looking in the 30. Okay.
Yeah, I'm going in 34 in our system.
4, correct. Yeah. Now you 1650. Just remove. Keep a 1650.
1650 and 20. I'll just
20. I'm not sure.
No worries. Yeah, but 1650.
This is implemented
simple interface. Okay, it's a Z.
Correct. So for this BT, this function module is assigned. And if I keep a breakpoint, it will trigger for any scenario. Yeah. This is a 31 is the standard like SAP enhancement. Whereas if you see customer enhancements, left side and right side, that is the difference.
Got you. Yes, agree. So, Advay, your thoughts, like good, bad, or shall we go to the next step now?
No, we need to
I do not see eDoc function module attached to the event. So
it's your system
eDoc function module. So if you try to enter a new entry, right? That's what not there. That's what I was telling from the past, that for BE also, forget about the country or the blank entry. The correct eDoc function module should exist, right? That is the main need. So the function module is the code that triggers this particular.
So right now it's there in the training client, but not in the Modis client. That's what you are saying. The eDoc.
No, it's not
even
both.
In the both. You see, it's not.
And then
it's your
Avnish, sorry. Why? Yeah. So why do you want to see? Once, if we are taking the training client as the benchmark, things are not working there as well. That's why I first tried to sort things in the training client, at least a trigger that we had left, right? The trigger where we create an inverse, yes, and then we thought we'll not do it, and then we'll jump into your system. Then we should not. If you
the things are working there, only we have some issues are there. So not like
it's
no
not working
100%. Right?
It's not working there. The scenario that we saw where we created a fresh invoice.
Whatever is working in the training client, we want to see in the Modis client. That's what we are looking this morning. And see, invoice, MB7 invoice, we are able to see it in the cockpit, right? The similar way we are able to see
that was there from very beginning. So I'm not sure at that time what configuration existed, because this is in the vendor's control. So if you want, then maybe copy all the configurations that are there. Cannot say which configuration would have triggered that particular invoice there. So
Yeah. So
that is my point, because the benchmark what you're taking, let's say if in the training system, I don't see that the training system is a proper system. Might be because even though there are no connection to the cloud, right, BTP cloud, the statuses where some statuses are there. So I don't know, the system was there from so long. So if we
you
take this
want
as
to
a
target
benchmark,
to fix that create memo issue. That is the
no,
first
I was
thing
that was my plan. I think if the basic thing works right, if there is something very basic as BT missing, it would, if you take that as a benchmark, it would be missing in your system as well. So either we fix in your system the BT thing, or we fix in the
But eventually
training
not
system.
for at least let us assume you fix that create memo issue in the training system, but immediately we want to see the result in the Modis client also. Like that's what we can get to comfort. Like theoretically we understand.
See, now you are mixing two things here, Krishna, and now you are mixing training with setting up Moody system. So then it will be a really big challenge, right? If you want to fix Moody system and together with the training, then there will be some challenges. I'm not saying it will be very smooth. So you propose, how shall we go?
So you can continue. We don't have to hold everything. You can continue fixing the training system, right, Rani?
Yeah, I mean, because Moody system, we haven't set it up, right? Nobody's working on. Does any of us are working on setting system?
No. The target, one of the thing we need, Rami. So whatever we learn, so the training client is not available for all the testing, right? So
but even that BT is not there in training client also. That means it's not in training client as well as not in our system.
Right. That is one of the reason. At least we can explore more all the apps and what is going on and what transactions pulling. Like we can explore more. That's what we are looking. But it's okay. We can go with continue the training system, understand. But yeah, we can do that also. So we can continue on the training system, Advay, and maybe next week, someday we can come back to the Modi system and parallel.
Maybe you can parallelly whatever steps you are doing for Italy, right? Let's continue that in your system as well. If you see a challenge, then we can discuss what would be the challenge or why it's not coming.
Yeah, that sounds good. Yeah, you can continue on the Belgium issue.
So so I'll try to explore there, and you continue the subsequent configuration in the Moody system. So both will go parallelly. That's what. If this works, then I think we will have an answer that invoice would or the billing document would get triggered there as well. So, if somebody is really expert in BT, maybe function module level, we can check. So then that would be really great, because there would be some function module.
1650 already implemented. So we can go with that. In our system, DM1, it is already implemented, it is activated.
Can you show me once? Can you show me once what function module it has?
I'll show it.
1120 exists in your system as a function module?
I'm talking about 1650 first, and this is the function module. Yeah. So,
but it's Z. No, this is interface, Z sample interface. So,
yeah, if we implement that custom function module only, we have to assign.
No, there would be eDocument function module. So do an F4 and just type edoc_BT star. So then we'll able to see what function modules are there. BT_BT star. Let's see what all function module comes there. See, 1025 is there. Check before saving the document. Create eDocument for FB01 1030. So this one. Then we have this 1050 create eDoc for document created with accounting interface. Would this mean that what we were trying this would trigger it? Let's go with 1030 once. Can you just click 1030? Just click that. Okay, so this exists, right? So in your system, now just hold on for a second. Just go to our FIBF transaction. Okay. Then again that p/h function module setting. For SAP application, not for customer. Okay. Okay. Here, 1030. Let us check if this function module is there in this.
Sure. This is assigned to some other function module.
Other, right? So what we'll do
wait. This one is also assigned. See? eDo.
Okay, perfect. This is assigned, right? Then fine. So that means if you create anything from this one, what was the transaction FP01? That means you should get the document in your eDocument. Now just let's see in the same thing in the test system. In the test system which we are trying. No, not here. In the test system once. So for you it's perfectly assigned.
Okay, so now you want me to check this entry in test system, right?
Yes.
But I think you need to add the new application eDoc. I think that's what SAP. And then you need to use. Yeah. So
FI checking the entry in the module SAP, right?
Yes.
SAP application. Yes. Then you need to add first thing is you need to add a application. I think you want to publish subscribe. Go back again. Settings, identification.
It's there. I checked that. Yeah, I checked it for eDoc. It's subscribed. Maybe we can check once more.
Okay, it's already there. Okay.
Just we can check.
Where you want me to go? Here?
Yeah. SAP applications. Yes.
Okay, there should be eDoc should be there. Okay, so now
eDoc is there.
Okay, now go to the next step.
Now that event is there and eDoc is there, right? So can we just do a very quick thing? Can somebody post that invoice to FB01, whatever they mention?
I don't know.
Krishna for B.
Krishna is not here, so he's a stamp on the.
Just go to the same place. Go to settings again. Go to settings. PS modules of SAP applications. Okay, now you need to add those events actually. Somebody monitoring it. So you need to.
I think it is there. I saw it.
00125.
This is
001. 1025, 1030, 1042. We need to add these one manually. So that's what I said.
1030 is there. 1030 is there.
Yeah.
So all these things I have to all events, right? I mean 125, 1030, 10.
Add these events.
Register.
Yeah. Probably should do it. Our system too.
Okay, can I add it?
That's okay. We can add it. It's okay. We can even you want to add test system?
This system I think already added all this. 1042. 1042. 1042 is also there. Yeah. So let me add this in our system. In our system also it is already there.
Yeah. But I think, we are doing in test system, right? Let's see that, even though configuration is there, it's not triggering the eDocument. Our system, we are not fully sure the configuration is there.
Correct.
So we'll be posting the FP01 invoice or something which this does, 1030.
Is Krishna come back? Krishna come back? Can you post all this?
Yeah.
So it says create eDocument for document posted with.
Which company code we are talking about?
B01. Oh, sorry, B10 or B01. This one.
We are still stuck at the Belgium only.
That's what we discussed, right?
Okay. No, sorry.
Because
no, actually, okay, you're talking about Moody's SAP client, or you're talking about?
No, in Moody's SAP client, I'm talking about here for if this event works, that means it would work for all other settings in your system also, because this system is set for Belgium for all other configuration. Only that invoice was not triggering. So if we are confirmed here, because this challenge you would also face when you do your system setup. So which function module, because there the function module was not there in your system.
Do you want me to go into Moody's system or your system?
No. In training system, if we trigger one invoice, if we see one scenario, then we would be very sure that all the problem that is there is because of BT. That's it.
Actually, what I was trying to do was I was trying to get which is my company code and all. Sorry.
Okay.
It was B10, I think. Yes. Currency would be euro. Let me do F4 rather than. It's happening a lot, so I'll just pick euro. I don't think so. Okay. We'll just go with the document date as current date. It's going to be the posting date. Type, I'll just check. Oh my god, yes, it's here. FB01, where is this data go? And just give me 1 sec. Just check where does this data go. I'll try to. It's 2246. Okay, it goes into BLNR. Okay, BKPF. KPF BLNR. BKPF. Okay. We are talking about control F, B, E, L. Okay. So we are talking about BKPF. Let me just try to hit execute. Let me see what I can find. Okay. Document date is fiscal year 2026. Okay. Type is DR. Okay. Yeah, this is posting key. Let's try.
You're doing DR, right? DR type of invoice. Is it customer invoice, right? Invoice type.
Yeah.
DR, right? Okay.
Yeah. Because what I did is I just got into your system. I just tried to check BKPF. Remember, he was creating some data.
Yes.
So I'm just trying to based on tables. I'm just trying to fetch all.
Yes. It is perfect. Yeah.
Okay. So coming back, what is the posting key? I'll have to check that also. It will take a bit more time than was expected.
Yeah. Oh, just while you can do, I'll just take a quick share because this again will be needed for Italy. So I'm just showing you just where it has mentioned the document type DR, right? And we remember we have done a mapping also with eDocument type and our document type. So I'll just you how would that look? So this is the transaction where it would say DA type is matched to invoice, B invoice. So DR type is matched to invoice. So this mapping is again required. We discussed about this eDocument type thing, right?
DR is like when you again click is DR is a finance document type, correct? That's what we are saying. And RV is
yes. This is I am telling SAP document type to eDocument type. That mapping which we discussed. Here is the connection. So 3 connections. So if you have 3 things in place, then it should trigger document from your system. So one I mentioned, right? One was this BT activation. Because this will be a very basic problem. Why I'm stressing is in your system as well. And then we will struggle there. So better if we have one working scenario and we know the root cause, then this three things we would need to just take it as a note for all the country. So you will have a seamless things then. That's the only reason for making this work. So first thing is this FIB one, second is EDO, this country activation, and then second is this mapping of eDocument type. So, okay, you can take back the control.
Yeah. I'm almost gaining some sort a bit more. Okay, let me just share back. It seems like I'm not good at it. It says enter account. Oh, my bad. I did a copy paste. Control A, delete. It says 10100100. Okay. So now let me just punch in some amount. 1000. I don't remember. What if I just click save? Posting is
maybe
only
others
possible.
Other can follow the steps in your Moody system for Italy. So don't wait. Just keep on traversing through document. If you have any doubt, you can let me know.
Okay. Did it saved or not? Posting is only possible with the zero balance. Oh, correct the document. Okay, got you. There is a debit line and there should be a credit line. Okay, and how where to get an edit? You want to exit editing? No. I'm still willing to do the entry. Okay. 50 posting is 50. Account number 71312. It's 5 or 6. Okay, it's okay. Now we are here, and I think amount was minus 1000. That's the amount. Oh, specify positive value. It will automatically take the amount as 1000. Okay. 71 requires an account assignment relevant to a cost center. Okay, let me just check what was the cost center in this. Cost center was here. Okay, my hope is let me just try to hit save. No. Is relevant for text. Please select the text code. Okay. What was the text code that was here? Okay. Text code was not there. That's really bad of me. Let me try if it gives something. We are talking about Belgium BE. Belgium, let's see. Let me pick any of these. Okay. Only input text is allowed for account. B2 is not allowed. What should I do? Because I can see there was no text codes involved. One is also not allowed. Okay. What if I? It's a warning. Okay.
We can try to
document was posted. Okay. Yeah. Now finally it got posted. Okay. So you want me to go to that eDoc?
Yes.
Place?
Let's see. Yeah. Let's see in eDoc cockpit if it comes.
Okay, let me make it big. So our number was, because I created SD documents, but I didn't know like what was that number. Did I go? I think I had copied the number. Let me just open a notepad. There. Come on.
Also check
so much. It was
can you paste
18,
that number in chat?
Yeah, I can do that. Yeah, it's here.
Please.
Why am I not? Okay, let me try again. So instead of 30, I'll just put 5 days. No, it didn't came in. Let me try.
And the status is not blocked, right? Status is all fine.
Let me just do the company code was
B10.
Okay, let me just first exit. Otherwise, Well, what I can do is, let me just refresh BKPF. It will come in here. Yeah, it's here. It's here. Period is 2. Let me see. Otherwise, again, transaction is here. Okay. After changes, transaction dates. Okay. Okay. OFB03. Let me just check if again. So this is the number. Fiscal year is 2026. Let's try. So where do you think that it's blocked?
I'm just asking. It should not be blocked.
I don't
okay.
think so. It's blocked.
Then fine. Let me.
FB0 posting it. Okay. General ledger view. Is it because of the period?
Not sure. You posted of 2020.
What was created by Krishnaya yesterday? I didn't check the date. So he had created, I think, this one, number 3. So if I bring in here, yeah, dates are same, like it was date only. Euro, yeah. Here on the same line. No clue. Can we do something from the SD side? Because over there I'll have far more control. Because SD means a contract or billing or sales order or billing.
We can quickly try. Try once, because I'm not sure BT for billing was 1120.
Okay.
Let's try that.
Does this help by any chance? Like, okay, what I did, like in the evening itself, India evening, I created a contract and I created 3 invoices. In first one, I just I left it as created. Second, I cancel. Third, I tried to over here. It's submit. I clicked on submit. It said sending request, and then it went into some sort of error. Okay, so this is what happened to me. I'm not able to send. That's what you are trying to eventually solve for, correct?
No, sending creation. You should see here at least. You were able to see, right?
Yeah. When you created. It's create. It's cancelled. Also, I can see here.
And this was freshly created by you, right? This was freshly created by you.
Fresh contracts. Yeah, fresh contracts.
And then,
if you want,
and we were not able to do it.
So
I was not able to reach here.
No. Yesterday we cancelled one billing. That particular document did not show up here. One of the configuration might be missing BT.
Yeah, cancelled document is not going to come in here. So let me just yes, Krishna, let me just show you what it is, and then we can go into VF03. Allow me one last second, and we can just come on display.
So I'll just share once. Can I?
Okay. Yeah, so are you like? Maybe. Is it? So is that like problem is? If I created a contract, I was not able to bill, to be honest. I created the invoice. So this was the first invoice ending with 16. It came in. When it came in, its status was created. I clicked on this submit button. It went into sending.
Yeah, sending is fine because we don't have BTP connection or we don't have the PayPal connection. But it came here. That's what we wanted, right? That's what we all wanted here. That it should come here. So either invoice or billing.
System was working fine. So then I created again 17. I left as is. 18th I again created.
And this is the flow which we got stuck with FI invoice, right? FI invoices we got stuck.
We got the stuck FI invoice and we got stuck cancellation of the billing document. 2 pieces were stuck. Now that cancellation is working, right? That's what you are proving right now. The cancellation is working.
Yeah, Krishna. So, but cancellation will work in if you see my cancel document is 19.
Oh.
Okay. So what if you see 18? No, see if you see 18, I created this invoice 18. It came in here as 18. Its status was created. Okay. When I tried to directly cancel, its system said eDoc already exists. So I came in here. Over here, I think, where is it? I think under more, I clicked on cancel document. When this became cancelled, I went back in the system. I cancelled this 5418 and I received 5419. So from my perspective, system seems working. Just besides this, which we
where is the 5419?
5419. Oh, you're saying, okay, where is 5419? Good question, sir. It's not coming in here.
Yesterday. Yeah, that is the original yesterday.
Yeah, it's not coming in here.
Yeah,
I tried like multiple ways.
Yeah, that's what the Advay is trying to resolve that issue. That 5419.
That was invoice, right? That was invoice which we were trying.
Yeah.
And this is the billing document. So billing document is working fine. Invoice is not working fine.
No, that is also billing document. 5419 is the billing document.
5419 is invoice.
Billing document. Yeah.
Like any other document.
That's finance document. 94 series is finance document.
So anything. So ideally, Krishna is expecting this to come in here. But what would be the status? The status will be cancelled only then. It's not a credit note. It's a cancellation.
Yeah. So for cancellation again, there would be an event. We do not think that event
and we don't have that event. Yes.
Yes. So that may be one reason where this wouldn't have triggered. But at least we have the flow. If the event are all properly configured, this will get triggered. So that at least we were able to see. And this is what we wanted to achieve.
If you add the event 1125 to work, right? Before I left from the meeting.
It should be with a proper function module, which should trigger this.
Did we add that 1125 in the FIBF transaction code or no?
I could not.
It is there, right? Just now we saw that.
1125 in training system.
Training system,
but not
with the eDoc.
No, 1025 thing. Okay.
That is different, right? That's why.
Okay, let me check.
Now the same steps. Now at least see one flow is working. So let's not again try, because even that was not working. We tried with one document, it was not coming. I think we tried with invoice, and then we all started looking why the flow is not triggering. That may be definitely because of BT. The BT is not taking properly the function modules which are configured. Invoice we were anyway able to do it. This billing document we are anyway able to do it. So at least you saw in the system how eDocument would work, right?
Yeah, we have two open items, right? One is the credit memo from the billing side. That is one thing. The second one, we created the 3 finance documents. One document is working well, other documents are not working because we modified the customer to the working invoice customer. So those we don't know what happened. Master data will change, and these two open issues right now still open, right? Or maybe last one we have any further updates.
No, where we were stuck is we could not see except existing document, except whatever was existing in the system. If we cancel and retrigger, or we just use that as a base, then we were able to see in the transaction. And as you said, FI and credit note. So these two were not coming. But did we see this billing document scenario, like one billing document which we create freshly, it comes in the eDocument cockpit?
No, it came yesterday. Billing document. Came. Only the credit memo did not come.
There was some error, XML error or some error was there with that, right?
Yeah, those are the next errors. Like once it comes to the cockpit, then there is another error.
Understood. So what I can conclude is these events are not properly configured. So that is the main, I could say that could be the main reason. But let's continue the configuration for Italy in your system, so that at least we can see whether Italy works with the proper configuration in your system.
Okay. So what is your target to complete? Like we are in the day 5, right? So
Italy. Italy, all the configuration we should complete. All the configuration for Italy should be completed.
We want to test quickly Italy in a training client and see in the training client working at least one of the invoice.
So anyway, you need to do the you want to do it in training, or you want to do it in your system?
We don't have any examples. Like when we see earlier, we have good examples in the Belgium, right? That's
we need to create, because Belgium data was there in the training system. So we need to create that data for Italy, all the company codes and all those configuration. That's what you are free to do it in the training client, or you want to do it in your system. So I think you prefer to do it in your system.
Yeah, that's always better.
And that's what we were doing. So we can continue. We got the reason, so we can continue with the other steps. So for you, I believe BTs are properly configured in your system.
I think that's what the BT is like 1165.
And if it is not, then you can refer to what configuration would be required, which function module, and what would be required. We can check that. But now let's proceed with the further steps.
Okay. So we were here previously.
Mm-hmm. So I think SM30 this would be. I doubt whether it's SM34, maybe my mistake I have put, but SM30 I think it should be either 34 or 30. 30 would be there.
It would be there. So already added here. Check. Like 1, 2, 3, 4 is the 1, 2, 3, 4 is for the say Italy.
Okay, and these company codes are for Italy, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 is Italy company.
Italy, correct.
Okay.
That has a lot of data. Yeah, just try with one company code.
Yes.
Okay, this is done. This is FI invoice and SD invoice. Create memo also we can add it, right? In that case, FI create memo separately. There is SD create. Okay. Maybe you can add.
This is just a reference. I'm not telling that exactly it should be like that. Just give a reference whether it's your use case or not. So.
Okay. At least we can test both invoices, then explore create memos, debit memos.
Okay.
So this configuration is done. Then next one, this one.
Yeah.
Okay, what it is saying.
Just to verify whether your Italy. These are the interface where it should go. So either it would be a proxy or an RFC. Mm-hmm. Just see here you don't have to do anything. Just to verify whether things are there. And maybe it would be good if you can relate, if somebody could tell why these settings are there, what functionality it does, because we have seen that in Belgium. So these are all repetitive steps. It would be also good if you all can also discuss why the steps are there. It would be good for your understanding.
Yeah. But this particular step is not there, right? IT invoice out _01 is not here.
It will not be of the same naming convention. Maybe these are all standard. So I don't think so. If this is there, So can anybody tell why the interface is?
What is the advantage of these interfaces?
Yeah. Anybody, I think, from the group.
through these interfaces only, the invoices or communications will be happening, right? The outgoing interface will send all our finance documents or the billing documents. It sends to the customers or vendors. The similar way, the communication is happening through inbound interfaces, like status and all those things.
Correct. So it transforms SAP data to the XML format. So, and inbound, outbound interfaces, what it would do is it will transform your SAP data to your invoice, like Italy invoice, factura, PA, XML. Inbound interface would have all the, we saw, right, CNS, MCDT responses, all the responses that would come. So without interfaces, there will be no communication with the STL. So that's the whole point. You don't have to do anything. These are all interfaces given by SAP. So nothing needs to be done. Only verification that you have.
Outbound and inbound, yeah.
Correct.
Inbound also we have there, a lot of inbounds there.
Yes.
Yeah. Now the next step here. Configure SAP integration suite, VTP.
Before that, I think I've kept one step. I think there would be. Did we just 1 minute?
Yeah.
Just give me 1 minute. I think we are missing one step, isn't it? Sorry. I think I've put it in later part. This is the step for, you can type in the document EDO TYPEV. TYPEV.
EDO
TYPEV. Yeah. This step, I think let's do that. Then you can start, because this step I think I put on the last part. Sorry, that was.
So you can, this is SM30.
SM30, yes.
ED, right?
Right. No, it is.
EDO TYPEV.
Yeah. Here you can verify.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. What we have to verify?
Your Italian invoice, the programs underneath.
Okay. Italy is here, right? Yeah, IT invoice. Incoming invoice, 3 are there here. Yeah. Okay.
Then there would be one more step. Just give me a minute. Just give me a minute. I'm checking.
Yeah, take your own time.
We're on which page as of now?
I think we jump into the last page. That's what I'm looking. I think this is the page.
Yeah.
There is one setting.
Yeah,
I think
we completed this one. Yeah, we are here.
8.1. Okay.
Yeah.
One more thing you can check once. You can go to table T003 eDocv.
eDocv.
Sorry, SM30 T003 ED
Okay.
T00. Can you come back? T003 EDOCV. You can put Italy, IT. So here you need, this is again a very, very important step where you need to assign the proper document type which will be used in your Italy scenario. This is a very must assignment. So document type to what you are going to send as a eDocument type. Like for example,
eDocument type.
Yeah. Correct. So we saw, right, the country was B, document was DR, and then RE, RV, and then we have eDocument type as uh, B_INV.
This is the
B
part,
underscore. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Exactly.
This is not in your document, like I was just checking.
Yeah. Yeah, might have missed from my side. So
no worries.
You can note
so
it.
This is, yeah, what, okay.
But I have mentioned the view. I have mentioned the view where this assignment should be seen. But here, I think when we covered initially, we mentioned that how would the eDocument recognize, or the other system would recognize which type of document it is. Like for you, SAP document type, if I take the billing which we're doing, were different types, right? DR, DG, F2, G2, L2, RE, whatever. So for FI and SD source, so the eDocument type would be that we initially maintain IT_INV, IT under for credit note, it would be IT_CRN. For invoice, it will be IT_INV, like that.
Got you. Yeah, the three basically.
Correct.
I remember Belgium.
IT, it's not. Sorry, yep, Krishna.
I remember the Belgium, it is configured like that earlier. Right here.
You can check for Korea. I think for Korea, if you have configured, then something would be definitely. You can just put in that table KR, or you can see all the results for the that particular view.
Yeah.
Don't restrict it for one country.
This is the. I'm looking at BE how it works. Yeah, it is there.
Yeah, here. See.
Okay. DR is the invoice. Okay. Yeah. It is that.
Actually, we are using generally.
Okay, no, sorry. This configuration, I do not know SPR. Like I do not use much.
SPR, yeah, SPR is better. Going step. Yeah, it's okay. Either way is okay, as long as it's working. So which one we have to put a DR? BEINV is there. Here IT.
For invoice, it will be DRV because document type.
This is the finance invoice. I'm looking the finance invoice here. We'll add RV. So, yeah. So Fatura is the invoice.
Yes, that's what I'm aware of.
Okay.
Yes.
Italy, we call it as Fatura.
Okay, then RV. RV also same, right?
Yes, same. Then only we will receive in the same format. Yes.
DR is same, RV is same, and DA also customer document is same. But these two are for us important. DZ is very less. Like DZ create memo, we can add DZ also.
Yeah. Yes, let's add. Like we don't know which way we might go. Cancellation in as of we are doing cancellation invoice, but let's add the configure. That would be always better.
Yeah. So IT create memos. They don't do create memos in the Italy. I don't see any extra invoice external incoming invoice. What is the difference between this one and this one?
I don't know. Factura is what we send. Italy incoming in e-invoice. I don't know. Maybe we are talking about vendor invoice.
This is the AP. Yeah, got it.
AP. Yeah.
So this is the regular invoice. This is the
incoming
invoice. Okay. This is incoming AP side. Okay. So that case in the DZ, We don't have anything differentiation, right? To compare with the DG, they assigned to BCRE credit. So we don't have anything in the credit. Do we need to create for that, or if we want a new thing?
Maybe our like document type still stays RV, so it might work. That's my assumption.
Yeah, I think maybe we can create and assign another eDocument type like IT create. For now, it is not there. Okay, let us consider only invoice.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, this is done. I think we have to get out this blank one. Okay. So what is the next step?
Next step would be for you, I think, the BTP configurations. Right? We can go back there. I think rest everything is done.
Yeah.
And then process manager, if you want to just look through, you can just look through the process manager. You don't have to do anything, but as we discussed, right, the process manager configuration, everything, you can just look into the flow. You don't have to do anything.
Yeah, I have gone through all these steps, but yeah, let us take a process steps here. So these are all there.
In the previous step, what was the last deviating eDoc type? What is that used for? In your previous config? Previous config, yeah. There is you select the doc type, RV, then IT fixture, and there is one more deviation.
I'm going there, right?
What was there?
Yeah, here. Yeah, this is what you are looking, right?
Assign. Yeah, hoping. Can you click on it? Yeah, what was the last one? Deviation. If you see the last white boxes. Advait, how do we use this?
Yeah. Which one? Deviation.
Yeah, deviating eDoc type for REV. What is that? Like?
I don't know. Not mandatory. You can just see the
it's not mandatory.
F1 help.
It's not mandatory. Okay.
You just put F4 help there or F1 documentation. You can just see the documentation.
When an accounting document type is reversed.
You would be the business moon. You would know more.
Deviating eDoc type for reversal of accounting document.
New eDocument for the reversal source document. Okay, whenever you want to reverse with the different document type, then you can.
Okay, we should.
Yeah, in the regular, maybe reversal you can put it another document like eDocument type.
Okay.
For example, this is the one. You can put it. Yeah.
Reversal is same as cancellations, or like in accounting terms, what like from billing terms, if I say reversal will be like your invoice.
Generally, reversal, how you configure when you configure the finance document, within the document, you can say what is the reversal document. So the same document, some of the document types will have it, different document type will be there. So in the regular finance, like similar way, they brought the concept here.
Then okay, maybe I don't know. For like doc type is RV for invoice creation, and same RV is for reversal also. So that's the reason we don't have to maintain the right one.
Exactly. Yeah. So if you see here quickly, how you configure this? These are the finance documents, right? You can see reverse here, reverse document also.
Reverse RV. It's still the RV only.
Here one document type is there. You can configure another document type which you want to reverse. The same document you want to reverse, or you can put it on the document type like that.
Got you, sir. Yeah. With you, sir. Yes, sir.
So the next step.
Advait, you're saying something?
No. BTP configuration. You have seen process manager. Now you can go to the BTP configuration.
I'm doubt I have access to BTP side, but where you have to go.
But maybe just quickly, if we can just check, we have all the. I am checking with my active system which I use. So there, if we can just verify the eDoc related, because in my system invoices for Italy and everything is coming in the eDocument cockpit. So that means for me, the event should be in place. So maybe I'll just cross verify in your system that these are the at least needed events that we have. And then maybe we can create one round of a document and see if for Italy it flows. So that means transmission we could see later, all those things which are required for transmission that we can look into it later. But what we can also do is we can see that at least if these configurations are the basic ones. So if these are there,
this one?
Sorry?
Where we can go, like what the transaction code and
this FIBF transaction.
Oh, okay. Event.
Yeah, because I think that is the main event, which is the heart of everything. So 3 configurations are the heart of everything. One, this event. Second, you mapped this invoice type, right? IT invoice, IT, all those things. That is the second. Third is the mapping with the document type. So these 3 things are a mandatory thing to trigger it. And so now what I can see in my system, I'll just say event is 401025. So 1025 is their application eDoc, and the function module is eDoc_BT, and then the event number. So I hope that is there for you as well. So we can check event by event. So let's you can type or application. You can type in application while searching eDoc.
Application here.
While entering, is there
process?
Application ID eDoc you can put. Application ID. No, not process. Application ID, the third.
Okay.
So here eDoc. Let's see what it doesn't filter.
Nothing coming. Yeah.
Let's search with the BT. Oh, this is a process. Okay.
This is the process. You want to go to the process or some other?
No, how you come here? Like modules. No. Go outside. Yeah. So here.
Process function module. Yes. PS modules. PS module. This is one, right?
Yeah.
I think it won't work like that. You go to selection on the top, on the very top, go to selection.
Okay.
And then by content, yes.
Oh, not many. We can go through table level also.
Selection by content. For me, it is showing application indicator. In my system, it is. Or you can double click on that application
Maybe we
indicator.
Can go to the table level and get it.
31. TV 31.
Yeah.
Advik, can you ping in the group chat which one you are looking for?
See, okay, I cannot copy from my system to this. So
a snapshot will also do.
But how? There are 2 different laptops.
Application ID.
Oh, got you. What can you
narrate
that?
Office one. Okay. So application ID eDoc.
eDoc. Okay. That's it.
Yes. Just give and see what comes.
Okay.
Perfect. Okay. And now I'll just read out. Maybe you can just verify whether those are there in your system or not.
Okay.
Okay. So 0001025 is there.
Yes, it's there. First one. Yeah.
IT also there.
First and second. Yeah.
Then 1030. 1030 is a perfect. Yeah. 1042. Perfect.
Yes.
1050.
Yes.
Perfect. Okay. 1710. Perfect.
But the country says CH. Will it make any difference?
No, you should remove the country basically.
Okay.
For me, all the country is blank.
Okay. So
maybe we can add a new entry. We can add one entry here.
Yeah, new entry. Yeah. That's great.
17.
Copy paste. Krishna, best is copy paste.
Yeah, that's better.
Yeah, because there were initial zeros, so earlier it was giving me also issues. Yeah, IT and application. eDoc.
No, I think
IT you will remain blank, right? You want to have blank instead of IT.
Correct. Then put it IT. When IT enter, automatically it's going there. That's why it's not int enter.
Okay. So actually, Krishna, Advay was saying like why to specify for a country? You can leave it blank. No. There is another catch. Sorry, Krishna, don't save it. Can you go back? It says ED's OCCH. There, can you check the name, Advay, please?
Is it
okay.
IT? The CH is not
IT,
there. 1 minute. 1 minute. Just give me 1 minute. I am searching. Just give me. So, for which one you are adding?
Last one, 1710.
So 1710 is correct. It is correct. EDOC underscore CH underscore BT and then the number. So this is correct.
Oh.
Only
Sorry,
that has CH country. And then this is wrong. This is wrong.
Right?
Italy, for Italy, you should not do it then because it is CH. CH is Chile. I think this is something specific to Chile.
We don't
only thing that you need is 1050, 1042, 1030, 1025 without country.
Exactly. Yeah.
Okay.
Without country, some of them country also there. That's no matter. I think these are all.
Yeah, 1 minute. Let's go. Just at least let's take 1 minute and verify. 1025 for you. eDoc underscore BT. Then the number 1025 has no country, right? Then 1030 doc underscore BT underscore the number no country is there. Perfect.
Right.
Then 1042 should be also like this without any country. 1050 should be also like that without any country. Forget it. Then done.
Someone created IT, but it's okay.
Yeah. Those are extra more than
some reflex and things that won't create a problem. Maybe some scenario which is specific to you. So now we are done. I think from configuration wise, we are good, at least I feel, to trigger a document and see it in your eDocument cockpit if all the authorizations are placed. I'm not sure of the authorization, but I think you can do that.
You want me to create a quick invoice?
Yes. Billing document or invoice, whatever you would like, but for proper data with Italy company code and other stuffs which you are expert in. So,
like he meant like customer also should be from Italy. That's what you meant? Okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
This is Italy only. I have example here.
So you will have a lot of data, right? I think in your system you would have a lot of proper data.
Yeah.
So it has everything, tax also there. So I'm starting with 50,000. AB tax code, and I can put it some text also here. DRC, this thing, and the sum of approval account 50,000. Some profit center here. Tax also calculated. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. One document created. Let us go to the cockpit and check it. Yeah, one came.
Oh, congratulations.
First document, eDocument we see in the system. Yep. But
that's the
congratulations.
That's what Vinith was looking for. And I think if he would have been there here, he would have been very
this
happy.
Is the celebration time. At least we want to see one document of that. So that is really
Lord.
So we
can play with now with invoices and different
things. We can play now. So only
because I only suspected that anything which was stopping was BT, even in the training system. So our training system is little messed up. So Because for few I did not see the code for few. This function model was not there. That's why I thought let's leave that, and then I opened my system to check where
maybe
exactly
we can explore it more. We can fix this issue right now. If you see here,
there are logs, error logs. If you see
application log,
you will see
interval
does not
01.
exist.
Okay. What is that? Interval 01 does not exist for object.
See long text. Click on long text.
Something that's okay. The
database table delivery class C, which means SFA defaults. These are some system related things.
SAP default settings are only in the client 00. Create a missing number range intervals.
Okay.
Number range is missing.
Understood.
So do we give number ranges like Krishna? Why are number ranges missing? Your number range was created like which number range is?
No, not this is looking at eDocument number ranges.
You remember last we discussed that there should be unique number generated from the system. Okay. What I know from here is, can you go to transaction SNRO?
Not here. Here you can see directly maintain number ranges here.
Okay.
Here.
Yeah, the same IDOPROG is from here, right?
So here you have to maintain.
So you can maintain zeros 1 2.
And where will we be assigning it?
The system itself will pick it. You don't have. So why this is coming? You remember we talked about this progressive invoice. So is a unique transmission ID, right? It is required. And still, like every invoice submission, if you want to submit 2 invoices or other things, right? You cannot have the same progressiveness.
Yeah. Those, but okay, so that is linked over here.
You can put number range, let's say 5, 10 zeros to 1 and to 9999999.
Can we fix this one?
So you go to SNR, that same object which you opened, and I think you.
I updated them already. I added. So trigger it for the. I have to create a new one or
new one. I think new one, because anything in error again to retrigger. I'm not sure on save if you again try to change something and save. But better create a new one and see.
Okay. So Advait, like while Krishna is creating, how will it differentiate between billing invoice from SD versus a financial invoice using FB70? There should be number in the assignment somewhere, correct?
Functionally, I'm really not sure.
No, you must be getting my question. Does your document cover that if we want to check it?
Because this is
number range assignment.
Part of number range assignment happens there only, SNRO or the one that we just saw. That's the only thing.
Okay, there are 2 pieces to it. First, we create an invoice, and can you check, Krishna?
This one, right? I'm looking now. See display. No luck. Let us see what the application log says.
Yeah, interval 01 does not.
It's looking the 01, not the 1. Maybe let me add 1.
So you should write like this, means there should be some checking. I'm checking in my system. Just give me a minute.
Try 01.
Just give me
01. Yeah. 01 maybe looking.
No, previous one. Yeah, number in 01. Will it allow? Yeah. And then, Shesh, in the meantime, identify a customer, Italy customer. Any Italy contract who should let's create a contract and invoice.
Yeah, one more finance document, then we'll go there.
And continue, sir. Yeah, continue. Like just saying, collect the data.
Sorry. Which object name you gave for number range?
01.
The OID PROGR here, ED8. EDO, IT, PRO,
GR.
Earlier I put just one, maybe it might be looking 01.
I'm just, I'm just, give me 1 second.
Yeah, you can continue. These things.
Okay. So for me, what it is mentioned here is, you can see, can you open the transaction?
Yeah, 1 second.
So there is a, I'll tell you where the issue might be. So just open that IDO, ITR, PROG, or whatever thing was. You don't have to do this much.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. So here, for me, it is coming little different.
So what number you put it
intervals here? Okay. Okay. So
post it. Now it posted. It's good. It's good. See here.
The same for me. It was like 1, 2.
Awesome.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 0, 1 and 2, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, 9. Interval was 1, 0, 3.
Here. See here.
Awesome. Yeah.
You can see the XML. XML still has errors. XML, some error would be there.
Some error would be there. Let us see what is the interface error. So there are no errors in the application. That's a good thing. Application log found. What is the application log found?
No application. Okay, this application log doesn't exist.
Doesn't have anything. Maybe sender text ID in this one. It might be like bring.
But it is not in error. It is in which status?
It's not error. Only thing we are not able to download.
HTML. Okay, preview. No, we can still. So let's try to little troubleshoot. Now we are there. Right now you are excited. Everything is almost there.
Can we not try our instead of this migration cockpit, we have an option because Fury has been enabled by Fury Tile.
Correct.
Because we are in DM. Yeah. Let's try then there.
So we can see document in a DM system.
Yep. The first document running. We are excited. See, document cockpit is here. See, that's what at least we have some. See, all 3 came.
Nice.
Then we can explore all the things right now. So these are the documents created. The only issue is here.
Can you display XML?
Data object could not be generated. Okay. Data object could not be.
So let's try to do some troubleshooting here. What we could do is, what could be the problem in customer master based on how Italy says is. Can we just check some formats? How in customer master, so there are few fields we discuss: VAT number, fiscal code, then that destinio, the 7-digit destinario, whatever it is.
Yeah, right now I am the customer master.
Okay. And VAT number, where do we see VAT number?
We don't see VAT number here in this.
VAT number should be there, right? Mandatory. So some format like Italy plus 11 digits kind of you can write. They take that format.
Code, fiscal, VAT number. Okay, how many digits?
11, I think. 11 digits.
IT plus 11, yes.
11 digit.
Yes.
IT plus 11 digit.
I will check one quick thing here. 13 digits, VAT number. So tax number is the 611. VAT number is the 13 digits. It has to be no gaps. length kept exactly without gaps. 13 days you have to put it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 12. But it will valid more. Does not exist.
IT. Start with IT.
IT.
Start with IT. Start the number with IT. That's what IT plus 11. That's what I remember. Yeah,
Okay.
I'll try to fetch some good numbers also.
Okay. Yeah, that's good. It's
good.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Okay. So because of this, maybe it's not coming. That's one of the reason you are troubleshooting, Advi.
Sorry, I'm troubleshooting now. So this is there one. Then we have somewhere, I'm not sure, fiscal code is also there. So you know where fiscal code resides?
Fiscal code. Never heard of it.
Yeah.
So normally, I'm not sure, some table STCD2 it is showing my system. I'm seeing I'm not sure, some fiscal code it
can
is
you
mentioned.
punch the what FI? Sorry, what is that field name?
STCD2. STCD2. D2.
Okay.
What is that?
Check. I think this is related to tax only.
Yeah, fiscal code.
Okay.
I mean, the external number, fiscal code, identification number is here, tax number is here, identification number, something like that.
It is there, right? No, not sure. You can see where that field is actually STCD2 something. And can you search if you have something called STD2?
STD2.
Yes.
Yeah,
STCD2. STCD2.
Yeah. Okay. It's tax number 2.
Oh, tax number 2.
Can you try like under the category itself? Yeah.
Yeah. That
category generally we have 2 only. Okay. According to SAP document tax number 2 STCD2 field, is there anything called as STCD?
Yeah, fiscal is there here. Fiscal is there.
Yeah.
81
okay.
is
81. Okay.
So what is the number length?
I don't remember. Start punching with IT. Start punching and it will just.
Tax 2 is 11. The 11. Yeah, 4. Length be kept exactly numeric. Okay. This also maybe start IT. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay.
Did it work?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Okay, let us try now with this
creating a contract.
Then this.
Yes, please.
You can start creating a contract.
Destinario. 1 minute. There are a few more. This. Where to see this one? This destinario, right? We tried some destinario field, destination where we need to put. So some 7 characters destinario, but I think that should be fine. I'm not sure. I think that should work.
That should work. Okay. Let us try
but
one.
Requirement normally is this coordinate destinario field. Something we have to put, but where exactly, I'm not sure. They had mentioned that for Italy or DCR destinario. Maybe we can do a Google search where that it comes in SAP system. Which field it relates to?
Sorry, can you repeat again?
CODICE.
CODICE and
Destinario.
DSTINARIO. TINA. I think
TARIO.
I think it was related to the address
some
itself,
extension. Some custom extension.
Is the spelling correct by any chance? I must be missing something.
DSTINARIO. You are perfect. You learned Italian.
This it was my first e-invoicing project. Like I said, around 2017 or something. Okay. Also called SDI code or recipient code must be stored in the business partner master so it can populate the XML. Okay, but where is it? KNA. I'm still checking, Krishna. You'll have to give me some more time.
Yeah. Okay.
Just.
So still, I think business partner country specific extension. So
yeah, the
in business partner master.
Think about this one, right? The data object could not be created. Is it giving any clue here? Message this one. The data object could not be created. Type does not exist. It's looking some type. So that's what it says.
Display, but country specific. Yes, Italy was. Yes, there was something for Krishna. I think under F5, if you go, there will be country specific enhancements. And over there, India, Korea. I'm just going Thailand, Taiwan.
So for us, this IT_DOC, IT_eDOC switch was active, right? SWF, this IT_eDOC switch was active, right?
What is the transaction code? Say again one more time.
No, SW switch framework, SF, the first one that we entered. Switch framework.
SW. Yep. 5.
No, I'm just telling you 1 minute. SFW5. SFW5.
SFW5.
There, this one.
Only thing XML file is not generating, but invoice side, I think is even in the training client invoice side it is generating XML, but the finance document side it is not. Okay, I'm here.
Then the one IT_eDOC. IT_eDOC.
Okay, earlier we did not found it. There were
eDOC.
4. 2 were found. This one was not found.
This could be one reason, because this may be required for maintaining. So the country specific extension. So in business partner, this country specific extension would come when you activate this switch or business function.
Okay. So can we activate that one?
But we should find it in the system somewhere. Maybe that is the first thing why it's not coming. Sure. We can do some Googling.
Any clue we can get here?
Yes, you can remove the dates. Yeah, today. Oh, you got 5, right? 5 eDocuments.
Someone created GAT, some document. 27.
These are all. You are playing with the system.
I just created it. Yeah,
you just created? Okay. Okay, excellent.
Display XML. Can you see display preview XML on the top? Is it working? On the top, display preview XML. No, right side. Yeah.
There is that. So the data object could not be created. Then this is we need to figure out what is the data object. Data object could not be created. That The type does not exist. That is the figure I think we have to do.
And I was searching that previous one code is Destinario. It's actually tech IT2.
IT2?
The text condition. Yeah.
Okay. That is updated BP.
Yep, I'm getting there. IVA code. IVA code, what was the digit? Can you check at the country specific? How much? Don't remember. Only 2 text number can be checked jointly. Okay. No, it will not be feasible. It's saying only 2 text numbers can be checked jointly. It will not take IVA code then.
Yeah.
Destinario, did you find anywhere like Advay, in on the BP screen, are you able to see in your personal system, do we have more than text numbers?
Where shall I check? Check?
If you go into any Italy BP, Italy business partner,
identification, you can see here.
Under identifier, yeah.
Just give me 1 second.
Any existing business partner transaction.
The training system, right? We have training access here.
But in training, Italy
training doesn't. Yeah, nothing is there for Italy. Not even system configuration.
Yeah. So for BP, what shall I find? Any particular business partner number I need to search?
Oh, I know. You want to understand how to get a Italy business partner? Okay, find country of the business partner. Okay, yeah, go to
I 1 minute, I got it. By name, number, supplier address, identification number. Nothing is on my system.
I can tell you how to identify a Italy customer if you want that.
Yeah, I can check. Tell me.
BUT000. Go to SE16.
This is transaction. Okay, SE16.
BUT000. Table name is BUT000.
BUT. Table.
BUT.
BUT. I'm just typing BUT000. But what we always say, but this. So that's what. Okay, 000. And if you search country, then
partner category, partner type, external number.
No. I think where is country? That country is not actually working. Just give me 1 second.
Country is not there.
There is a field that accommodates country, but I'm just giving you. Okay, where is? Shay, what did you use to identify the list of customers?
What I did, I went first to ADRC table. I there provide /region as Italy. I picked.
I thought in BUT000 also we were maintaining country at least. Okay, it's not there.
Yeah.
Sorry, my bad. But I cannot see a value over there.
The addresses to BBPA table.
Go to the KNA one. Also, you can check it. KNA one, you can put it country. At least you will get to the what are the customers are there. KNA one. It was working for the billing document. Billing document. Billing document. This is not working. That's another thing we have to explore. I think here also it is looking at the data object could not be created. Data object related issue. Something. Rami, you are there?
Yeah, Krishna, I'm checking this one. I found one entry is missing in one table. Okay, I'm checking. We have to maintain. Let me share my screen for me.
Share your screen. Yeah. I think that's the best way to explore this issue.
See this one. While we see here, while generating the displaying the XML, we are getting this error, right?
Correct. Yeah. Any of the document, yes.
So in this table, program is looking for this entry.
Share the table
in the group. Okay.
Share the top.
Let me /16.
You can check in the table what is there.
Yeah, I'm checking. This is AIF table namespace and screens in this namespace. So
Okay, then if it is in AIF table, then what we can do is you can go to hash AIF hash cust.
Go there.
Custom transaction hash AIF hash cust.
We have to keep all the changes in one place. You, me, and Avanish, all the changes.
Okay, then we can go to interface determination, and then interface name.
Define interface.
Namespace. Okay, namespace. Do you have define namespace? Yes. So in this namespace,
we don't have this one.
EDO.
EDO is not there. Slash EDO.
EDO IT slash / EDO IT. That should be there. Yes, this value. Yep.
Okay, let me just in the.
So normally
this should. This one.
Yeah. Normally this should come from standard, means something via refresh or upgrade, or I'm not sure when they have support pack applied, right? Different support pack. Sometimes this data structure get refreshed. So that could be one issue where this entry is not there. Otherwise it should be, it should come from standard. You don't have to maintain.
This is standard only, yeah. Correct. Then, if it is missing in the standard way,
can we check
what are the parameters I have to maintain?
You can maintain that value which we looking forward an EDO and right.
Okay, it is looking for 3 parameters. One is namespace, NS. NS means namespace. IF name means invoice.
So namespace you can give / EDO IT. I think you can copy from the debugger. The first value, yes, the first value. Namespace is the first value. EDO IT. In your debugger, the first value. NS on the top.
Yes. He's saying like just maintain this and then go to the next setting and so on.
So what is the entry that you maintain in a test system? Like, so I'll copy paste same thing.
Yeah, go to the test system and check it. Yeah. If it is standard, let us find the voices node instead of doing ourselves. If it is the configuration, we can do it, but the standard things better to get it through voices node instead of doing ourselves.
One more people, once you do that, then will come.
Here also same, I think. Gap is there. EDO IT, right? Yeah.
EDO IT is, where is it?
Not there here also. But there it's working.
No, the value of namespace will be / EDO IT.
Yeah, but in this is right side system is custom, like test system.
The test system, it is
even
not there.
In test system also, it is not there. But in test system also, it's a problem, right?
No.
That XML.
No, it's not.
Invoice is working. Invoice is working. Finance document is not working. The test system. So there.
Can you debug, like we already have invoices? If you go to the migration cockpit T code and apply some block, like.
Guys, this takes time. Let's move on right now. We don't want to keep spend time on to resolve issue, right? It's not production issue. Let's understand what is there. We know where to look at it, and that should be sufficient, right?
Or else let us put it temporarily and see. I think that's the one more issue. We can put it in the parking lot.
Yeah.
So now both the finance and billing documents creating, that's a good news. Only thing right now, we are not able to see XML. That's the only thing issue at this moment, right? So we know initially we have some finance document errors. Then after that, we made some changes in the master data. All the errors got resolved. Now only at this moment in the Italy company code, so XML is the pending.
So let's just one tip when I can think of. Can you run a T code edo_check_config?
Check that one.
In which system? The 410? in our system or in this one?
No, in our system, no, whatever we are doing now in your system only, Moody system.
Okay, what is that? Key code?
edo_check_config.
It's unknown.
Not okay. There. It was for me. I'm checking in my system. 1 minute.
No, eDocument. So no.
Even okay, then let's. If you're okay, means 5 or 10 minutes, I can try some debugging. You can go to edo int in SM30. Yeah, edo int, then type type v type v at the end v. Okay. 1 minute, I'm typing here SM30 edo. I'm typing in the chat. edo
interface type.
int. Yeah, interface type, correct. So here the interface type should be AIF_proxy. What it is? Interface type should be all AIF_. Can we change it? Can we try changing it for Italy? Don't touch for South Korea. Don't touch for South Korea. Italy. All the Italy thing. Edit.
Just only 1, 2, 3, 4 is ours.
Yeah,
no,
so
the handling is there.
Option
1, 2, 3.
The AIF. Here you can use AIF. AIF_proxy. Anything for AIF proxy? AIF proxy, yes. Let's use AIF proxy.
So for all three.
Incoming anyway, we are not, but fine.
What about your system? Like the system?
I put it as standard. Today morning I did that configuration. I put standard, but here AIF is required. Right, but
namespace we have put right edo_it/ that we have maintained that, right? Namespace.
Interface type for Italy. We don't have anything yet. It's okay.
Here also standard the right? Training system.
So you wanted to save these three transactions?
No, Venkat, you have updated the namespace, right? The earlier one in your debugging, that namespace came now /edo_it. You have updated that in that. I think let's update that also.
Don't have this namespace. New address edo_it. So this is for what? Name description for it. Only Italy. edo_it means only for Italy.
Yes. You just give AIF namespace. That should be fine in description. So what it is coming, right? Data object could not be created. According to me, what I think is it is saying that I have the invoice, but I don't have the map to turn it into an Italy. It's looking for some mapping XML, which normally AIF interface does. So that's why I'm looking for option proxy. That's why I'm looking for this proxy and all, so that at least.
I don't have option to save it here. You have only display operation for namespace.
This is in test client, is it? You can do in your test client or its development system.
Yeah, for our Modi's test clients only.
He's doing Modi's test client.
No, wait. Save the chain of stress. No, it is not available.
Because it's standard now. They have not. This is a bug actually for you. So.
No. There are some who have you display authorization. Then who will maintain it?
Actually, SAP should do this. Nothing which client can maintain.
Yeah, I have to display the data namespace.
You cannot. It's because these are all standard, right? These all things you did not maintain, right? This all whatever is coming EDOL, EDO, all these CIF interfaces. This you did not maintain, but only
this particular entry does not exist in your system also. Right?
But you are taking the reference of the test system, right? The test system that is given to us. That is anyway screwed up system. We cannot take any reference from there. I'll check in my system once.
Maybe we can report SAP and we can work with SAP on that particular issue. Maybe update this one from the standard to, we can test it AI proxy for web services, right? We can update and test it.
Yes, at least let's try that. But I doubt because
save that one now,
there, so...
the configuration. Don't change this one and change the update the configuration. We can try one invoice and see that luck. Right now, okay, you can come out. Maybe I can update the configuration.
Okay. No.
So there is a one configuration point here.
So this one also, a invoice interface type, I'll keep it back or I will not save it, okay?
Yeah, let's say you can come out here. Okay. Thank you. So let us put it AIF proxy and test it, not this configuration. Right? And I updated that one. Let me take a quick thing here. I updated this configuration, then we can see this AIF issue will fix. Maybe it already posted, need to create a new one. Okay, we'll create another new one. Can we cancel that invoice function? That also we can test it. Yes, listen, done. Okay, let us see that. Cancellation did not come here. We did not come that cancellation one.
It doesn't come, but I think it mentions that it is cancelled.
It is cancelled? Okay. Okay, now I think it is a different error now. So eDocument cannot display it, check implementation. Now I think it's going to the next level. This is another good news.
Shall I create new invoice?
Yeah, you can create another new invoice also. Yeah. So Adway, you can see here, right? It's a different error now.
Yeah, this will come until, because that was because of which we identified the interface type and all. So
eDocument cannot be
check implementation. Right? Somebody implementation is stopping it. So these are more technical errors, I think. Expert would get this.
This is the.
But overall, you understood, right? These things at least would.
Yeah, we are
there at least some time.
Yeah, this is a really good learning point. Let us focus on this one, how to fix this error. where that functional model is now. Billing came again. This one, this is another good one. This is same, like a body is missing, but the create memo is not coming. That another thing we have to think, because the cancel one is not showing. That is same issue what we have in the Benzene.
Yeah, so some like INV underscore like IT underscore INV you mentioned, then IT underscore CRE or something we need to do it, and then you map it to document type. So you have to play around with other options that are there. So now we only had invoice and billing document. There are other document as well, mapping, like how we did from the first step. So that we need to explore. There are a lot of options country wise.
So right now, this is the document. First of all, RV only coming, and see here. Currently, we have standard SAP gave us only a couple of options, right? Okay, this is F5. Italy, I can see only 1, 2, 3. I don't see any create memo on Italy standard point of view. Even the mapping point of view right there here. So maybe we can, by Monday, you can get some more inputs on the create memo for Italy. That is one thing we can park it. So even if you see here, so here also we added all of 3, whatever we have, eDocument types. Maybe we have to create it. They may recommend and create a new create memo. See, we added all 3 here actually. Invoice, incoming, external, 3 added here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, FI invoice, SD invoice. Very cool. SD, FI, 2 added. Do you know what is this other? STLMT underscore invoice means? Settlement management document. Maybe the settlement.
I'm not sure.
It's fine. For invoice. I don't see any great move. All goods movements, goods receipt, inbound delivery, invoice verification, shipments, outbound delivery, purchase order, purchase recreation, sales document. I don't see any credits here. The linking happening. That's one we have to explore more. Where is the baddie link that whatever baddie is coming? Where is this baddie? Where will be connection? So within the baddie method display document.
Krishna, at which point of time you are getting this error? Can you just
here when I click this, when I display document, it's coming here. I think it's going to this.
Earlier we used to get some different error, right?
That is fixed after I did configuration, right? That one that got fixed. Now the next level is this one.
Okay. So same thing for all the documents. If you select first document and do the XML, first.
Yeah, finance also same. Yes, the finance one.
Okay.
Yeah, all are the same.
Okay.
The previous error got resolved. This one, because it's configured after configuration, created these two, and these two have a different errors.
Previous one, that AF notes we have not maintained, then how it was, we know?
So
here, this is the configuration we did right here.
In the general settings, this is for, I think, credit memo you were telling, right?
Right, credit memo.
So you can go to general settings once.
General settings.
Okay. Then there is assign eDocument type to billing document type. There would be.
So
assign general setting. There will be assign eDocument type to billing. So you have, see on the top, assign eDocument type to accounting document type, like that. It should be, there should be one for billing document type as well.
I think in the training system I see that one, but not here.
Document type to billing document. Then you would see there are options for billing type. So credit memo for return, invoice, credit memo for returns, then intercompany, then a lot of cancellations, invoices. So there are a lot of options, down payment. For
general settings, your country specific settings. Now Italy here.
No, you don't have to go to country specific settings. You just below electronic document processing, there is a general setting.
Yes, right?
Here. So you say here assign.
I don't see training system also that one. See here.
So for me, the options which are coming is maintain general parameters for eDocument, extend actions for eDocument, assign document type to billing document.
Looking at the Italy, that was there in the Belgium, I see earlier.
No. Anyway, this is a general thing. This is not country specific. So,
okay. Not under Italy?
Non Italy. No. It's in general settings. So you don't have to open country. Yeah, general setting. So here you have only two options.
Yeah.
So for me, there are multiple options. Assign eDocument type to billing document type. If I go inside that, I put country Italy, then I get options like CBRE, credit memo.
This one also we need to resolve. Like I don't see here.
Credit memo for me is showing billing type as G2 in my system actually, but there is an option. So G2 is the billing type for my system, eDoc billing type. So eDoc billing type is G2.
Okay, eDoc billing type is the G2. Okay,
that is for credit memo.
Those are all under the here. First of all, in the mode is only one tab is there, one path.
Yes.
In the training system, you have general settings, but this itself is not there. That is the one thing we have to understand. Under general settings in your system, we have more.
Yes.
Okay, we need to get those paths also. Right now, in the training system, you can see general settings, but in the modis, it's not there here.
Okay.
This is one thing.
So if I look right from where that particular G2 is coming, it is coming from some table TVFKEDOCV, and the field is FKART.
Okay, what is the table name?
TVFKE DOCV. Country Italy, you can put blank. And if you do not put any country, then let's say if you do, you can do a F4 on billing type, the first field. You can do an F4 on the billing type. Maybe this, so here you would find G2 would be the credit memo.
Yeah, for invoice, G2 is the credit invoice. Okay, credit memos and all these things are here. But this is the G2 is the.
We don't use G2. Can you go down, please?
We don't.
Build types are ZAS1 and ZAS2. Those were the two that we have been using.
That is a Z1.
Okay.
That one, that is the training system. We'll check here.
Oh, sorry. Okay, thank you.
But yes, until we have a perfect system, means then that something or the other would be missing.
So when you cancel the billing document, what is the document type of screen?
ZAS1. Z.
Can you check that one?
Sure. Yeah, 100%. 100%.
Okay.
ZAF2 is our regular invoice. ZAS1 is cancelled.
Now let us. I think this will fix the cancel reversals. Okay, here we have eDocument type. They can use the credit memo not here. So maybe we can use the same invoice and see how it will for testing purpose.
Mm-hmm.
Can you try one more time? Cancel the other document.
Try it out, please.
Done, sir.
Then cancelled?
Cancelled.
No, look. The cancelling is not coming here. Before. Yeah, these two cancels are not coming. 2093, 2095 not coming. So maybe there is another setting. You said that billing, you already GSC1, right? You said.
Yeah. Oh, it was not released to accounting. Krishna,
It's okay. We are looking billing document. That's why. We are looking billing document to come, right? That's not coming.
Okay.
So at least.
I thought like once it's released, then only it would come.
Okay.
Okay. Can we, the one that you cancelled, why it's not released to accounting?
Yeah, try any errors are coming. I think we have a lot of progress, but only we need to figure out these issues. At least we see some documents flowing from the finance side and the billing side. So
Ping.
Yeah, it is posting date now.
Can you ping me also that invoice number, please? Oh, you have already been the cancelled.
Yeah, I'm on the cancel.
Can you share either or maybe 295? Because if invoice was created, released to accounting, cancellation has nothing to do with anything beyond. Yeah, it says error in accounting. No.
Sharing your screen?
Yeah, he shared his screen. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. What is the error? That's okay. Message
not possible. But why automatic clearing is not possible?
That's okay. And that's just all information. That will not cause any issue. Now it released.
Yeah, it's not released. Shish, now on the right side, try to refresh. Right side. On top left, yeah. It didn't come in.
They are still not showing up.
Okay.
Yeah, that create memo still open. That one issue. So a couple of issues, right? Recap, like what are the issues we have since we are on the time right now. So one, I think like we are not able to see in XML. That is one issue.
Okay.
You can update in the Amish in the tracker parking items. One thing we are not able to.
Okay.
The
not
second, I think credit memos are not coming. Credit memo or canceling billing invoices are not coming. That is the second issue. These two issues are there for now. Are any other issues we see?
No.
Credit memo and the XML.
Cancel invoices are not appearing.
Yeah.
In eCockpit. Okay.
Yeah. Maybe Adway, you can explore more on this server next week and see what
this would not be in my control, Krishna, or debugging or checking in the system what is going on.
We will do internally also, but if you ask us to report SAP, we will report. Only thing we need help where this body, the configuration, something like that in the where it is configured, and I don't see. You can help me. We will work internally with the development team.
Yeah, whatever I would know, I would definitely share, and I'll try checking them.
See some body setups.
So Venkat, can you explore this one next Monday? Take anything.
When you select the last row and click on the display XML view, we are getting that error, right?
Correct. Explore more, and we can view with the.
Yeah, I'll check it. I'll check it from inside.
So, Mary, the create memo you can still explore, right, from your side, or you want to try another options? We added one configuration point just now in the table, right? That also did not work. We added this. Maybe instead of using, maybe here we need to have some create memo we attach to the invoice.
Got it. Yeah, but we don't have that. Like it was just factura only. No, nothing for credit.
Yeah, that could be one of the reasons. If SAP in your system, what you see? Adway?
Sorry?
Only 3 in your system, not training system. In your system, what you see? Only 3?
Bidding type.
Can you check how many are there options?
1 minute. Just checking. You want me to check? Sorry. This is which table you want me to go?
This is the table. One second.
PVFK. No minute.
Yeah, billing types like.
Okay.
This is the table.
Oh, this is the one same thing which I mentioned right through config. Assign eDocument to the billing type. Right?
Correct.
Okay. So for that, what I see is I see CBRE credit memo for return, F2 invoice, G2 credit memo. 3 things. eDocument type for everything is factura, eFactura, IT underscore factura. So maybe if you want, you can configure if it allows you. So CBRE, if I don't know F2 or G2 you use or not, but instead of F2, G2, whatever you use, you can configure.
Yeah, even here, those billing types are okay in the eDocument type side. Mainly those billing types, whatever we have to show.
So G2 you put it. Yeah, G2 you put it. Let's see what happens. G2 is there.
You want to try G2 also? Like
Yes,
So,
credit memo.
No, I want to double check with you. How many are there in the eDocument type in your SAP system, not the training, and your regular system?
Yeah,
How
that's
many?
what I'm telling. For me, for Italy, I have 3. CBRE is a credit memo for return. F2 for invoice, which is mapped to eDocument. All these 3, I can see for F2. Like my billing type in my system is F2, let's say.
Okay.
For invoice, it is F2 for me. I'm just telling you, this is internal. Whatever you follow, you can put it in the billing type.
Correct.
Then description is invoice for me. eDocument type is IT_INVIC. So that is for incoming invoice for me, let's say.
Okay.
Italy incoming invoice. For me, credit memo is mapped to IT_Fatura.
So credit memo also similar what we did. But what is the billing type you attach?
So you choose the billing type in your system, whatever is billing type. For me, it's G2. I don't know whether G2 is for you or not, but billing type G2.
Krishna sir, let's just keep on typing and let's just save it. It will not hamper us anything.
Right. Yeah.
Let's just say whatever he's saying, because I understand what he's trying to come up with. Like, they are talking about sales orders. We are talking about sales contract related invoice. So let's just configure whatever he's saying quickly so that we can look at that.
Okay. Yeah. Let us regroup Monday, and I think we made a good progress, but only a couple
but
of
you want to
issues
configure
can configure those values, please? Whatever he's saying, so that we don't have to start from what was in his system.
Okay. IT. So GS. Okay. G2 standard anyway.
G2 if you put okay. Then
what is
for why didn't description come for you?
No, we didn't.
Okay.
It was G2 was with IT underscore. I think you said
Fatura.
credit. Correct?
No. IT_Fatura. Fatura.
Yeah. What is the other one?
The other
F2.
one is F2 invoice.
You can add
invoice, yes.
Invoice.
Okay.
That is also
IT_INVIC.
Yeah, that's the difference. Okay. IT_INVC.
Not there.
Yes.
VINC.
This one. Incoming.
Yes.
Incoming. Yeah, let's do it. Yeah.
Okay. Next one.
And then
what was the
CBRE.
CBRE. Yeah. It's good. Yes.
And then it is IT_Fatura.
Okay, the first one. Okay. So I think
and these things, eDocument type should be mentioned in your eDocument type table. Remember starting configuration. So these things also should exist there.
Yeah. So So Krishna sir, I think the middle one that is going with F2, that is a slight gap, I can say.
That's going incoming invoice. It's AP actually. This is not the correct summary. It's okay. Keep it for now. Incoming invoice. Incoming means it's AP side invoice.
It should have been SG,
Yeah, it's okay. There also someone might add it, but it's okay. Keep it for now for testing. Now we can create one more invoice. Cancel the other ones.
I don't have any hope with this config. It was just because I heard that what INC and C, I thought like it might be a credit note, not as incoming. So that's the reason I was
incoming. Actually, maybe there's someone written the incorrect description. But
but leave this configuration. What we can try, like I'll need good amount of config to enable that F2, but we'll try, like if by any chance we can create with something with F2.
Exactly. Shall we try one more create memo cancellation? Shreyas?
Shish, create invoice and cancel.
Last one. This is the last.
No worries. It doesn't take much time. Sure, you're there. Otherwise, I'll pick this.
Maybe you tried like since morning.
No, I will do it. Yes.
Okay. Don't go with any new contract. Just existing one, cancel again invoice, and then again cancel. Go with shortcuts.
Yes, sir. Invoice got created.
Yeah. So same, no cancellation.
Yeah, I'm doing the cancellation.
Yeah, that no luck on the cancel the create memos.
No, he's yet to cancel. He's yet to cancel.
Yeah, I just did it. I'm checking if the.
What was your created invoice? 96, correct?
Yes, sir.
96 was your invoice. Okay. Yeah, cancel it. I don't hope for it because my invoice bill type is different. ZI, I think. ZAS1 or something. Oh my god, I'll have to quickly check.
Did you cancel?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
it got cancelled and accounting documents also generated.
Yeah, that means like the still create memo to explore more. Yeah, we have to.
Yeah, bill type was ZAS1 only. Yes. Ashish, whatever you created. Okay. So no doubt we have a hurdle.
Okay. You can do one thing.
Last.
You can do one thing. Can somebody go help.sap.com?
Okay.
Then you can type their eDocument for Italy.
Yeah, tell me what you want me to.
You can type here eDocument for Italy. eDocument for Italy. But it is not help.sap.com. It is notes and all. It is searching. I need.
But you can go here.
Okay. SAP help. Yeah. SAP help.
Yeah.
And click on eDocument for the. Yeah, it will open a channel. Just open that. So here, if you see, they have described all the steps. So maybe in customizing, in authorization, and all the process. If you are stuck, then I think this will be a step-by-step help for you.
Here, electronic customer invoice XML generation. We stuck here, right? This is the one. Correct.
Yeah. So maybe some config, some data, some master data, whatever they require, because a number of things that may be needed. So here you can easily differentiate what is exactly needed, how to configure. Body error was coming, right? eDoc interface connector body. See the eDocument interface connector body. The third number point.
Correct.
So I think these things you can play around with it. I think
this is the body they are talking about.
Now you would understand.
Can you share this link in the group?
So the create memo also we can figure it out somewhere here.
It should be there because they have explained everything. I mean, so you can see these are all standard processes. Like for invoice, you'll have a credit memo. So they will not be much diverted. Just we need to figure it out what exactly your billing type is for credit memo. It should match with the eDoc type that we mentioned. If we do these things properly, I think it will pick. There is no second issue there.
So run compliance will work now. I have to do configuration additionally. I think I have to do, right?
Sorry?
Run compliances, we have not done anything, right?
Run compliances was not in the scope, at least for this training.
Yeah, we have not done any. Correct. That's why we will not be able to see anything. So if I want to show Italy thing, maybe I have to do the configuration, everything here, right? And we did for the US here.
Sorry, I didn't get.
See, for example, in applications. So this is what we did for the US. These like MIS 1099 All this configuration we did for the similar way have to do for the if I see all these company codes, right? This is what we did.
Yes. So this is view cluster. So this is SSUI view cluster. So yes, you need to create an entity, then a reporting category, then a reporting activity, and then subsequent steps for that. So the periodicity and everything. Means I have much more experience in statutory reporting than eDocument. So.
Okay. That maybe we can spend more time once we have done this one. I like to learn some of the country-specific things, like even Italy also it's coming default. Everything is coming here. Then I can configure.
Because you activated DRC switch, right? So DRC switch will give you access to everything, and then they will bill you like anything.
Maybe Italy also will come here, same like a reporting entity kind of thing, like. So I activated this one under US country. Then it came here is the generic. So good to know these things.
Okay, I think time to wind up.
Okay, it's not okay. Thank you everyone.